official party station for 2023 and beyond. Alcohol Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together we are blazing. Party station for 2023 and beyond. Alcohol Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Adishimo tabi ashwam. Ahoro mi wo boniki kawanina. Yesu mi tawasi sawaji mi kwa. Meshia wotia amida sote me bonimo. Adishimo tabi ashwam. Ahoro mi wo boniki kawanina. Jesus mi tawasi sawaji mi kwa. Meshia wae amida sote me bonimo. Jesus, I don't bury me. I don't find out the money. Me that was say so I didn't go. Me she I want ya. Me that so to me money more. I saw very much sweet. Oh, good na me. Me that me that was say so I didn't go. Me she I want ya. Me that so to me money more. Money, Wakendila, I'm robber. Or is any army bossa, Namida Gatamo, and Fatopia, Nimisubio, and I yes, watching me. Adishimo tabi ashwam. Ahoro mi wo boniki kawanina.
Station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Okuma Radio.
I am him, I am Ramera.
All right, just about 6 more minutes to 8 of the hour 8. It's a lovely Friday morning, 24th of February, 2023. We are here for God and country once again. We are live and kicking. It's a blessing. Yes, I try. I say, be sure if you have. Why would me kind of pay? Why is I say, ha, Edna, Okwapama, Ghana, my yes, imagine 80. That's what you are free now to assess a free Dawson. So, Bibiano, Oktai, Kayaho, only any Bujumay, only any Dijumay, only a recipe because of Torti. And I pay fast like a year. Ebanako Post Wakos Wakaya, cut that Hati, Saufuno, and Wakaya, many Abeka, as if one, and Asidankia. I say, "Who tell me, baby? I will be no catch unia na actually say, and I pay a common radio. But they are for a free tour. Some sadi and check or chadi, and they chadi kaba. We invite you to join us on Facebook. We are live. Crystal clear photos and videos, vivid viewing. Very premature as them. And I pay my Kwame Eddie Kelvin Amponsa Aduchum. Kevin Kwame Posted and I pay what's an answer because some of the crab dying. We saw Kwame Henako for my first one. And I pay very common DJ does DJ Zikibi, Midamina Siano Pay. Back with CJ and a Belinda Paul. The Pambo Machidom the day. And I pray God for oil on the whole sense and be a ban. GPH for said we are not feeling the impact. After the hype, Makaka, you who. And I pray for everybody come over Hamaso. Now, on him say Nigeria, so I'm about to a time with the day. Now, a moon says, somebody, besides Nigeria for so I hear almost less on baby and honest and so on. A time for Ghana. And when I say, I'm more party be and the colors here blue, yellow, and there is how blue, white, and I think red. I know I'm saying green, blue, and green, black, white, and red. I look at them say, also Korea City, able to say, I'm almost DDP and a DPP. I'm the boy now. My mom actually called me.
I have a Joso.
Today.
Oh, you are dumb.
Is Daddy?
John.
I'm watching.
John, you
at the same. No. Thank you. Why are
you and Shroud?
Which round?
No, no, which
on yours. Okay.
Send Ryan to me and Yentina. I did actually there.
I saw you. Nigeria for elections. When did you? Nigeria.
Nigeria for 91 political parties.
Okay.
And 18 registered and recognized. Now, omoto abano state bia nso omo so sen ye anka ne no na nka omo toto abano eyi omo senators sana na we de omo ye ni nyina
elections
na we no niama akoye anibresem ne se wo kai 1993 no mo papa bi Abiola
Chief Mushood Abiola
na Abiola ne ba
apaja
ba ko ayi ne tie dia ama emabu no nyina ba bedi abrante no achi ena wo kai Atiku Abubakar one so now formerly vice president. One so 75 years old man. One so akotwe obi ababedi na chia. One so pese one so babe jinabi. Ana omo kire se da bi former vice president there Nigeria adodode e was asiasi dey na wunya yentia. E wo se yesan ema oba bi o. Anything 18 political parties in ho no. Omo PDP and NPP to say the the major one a woman pano near was to see ya. Well, ama tension about Nigeria between the young man Abiola Ebano and Atiku Abubakar. Menoka say Nra and feed and air pick if you want to say Moja Shugu. Minoka say no electoral commission of Nigeria Baba and also China Yami Adman about to no say na enye bete sa Nigeria. Omashino senator no
that's very bad. That's very bad.
The
Arapa yebebo remu na ye reporters bia ye na yɛbi sɛ ɔmo sɛ nea nneɛma esi ɛkɔ ɛwɔ Nigeria ma mu sɛ Nigeria deɛ ɛne Ghana ayɔnkofa no ɛne nuayɛ ɛwɔ ntɛm ne yɔnkofa no Kwame ɛne ɛmo ɔhyie sɛ Nigeria ho ka na Ghana ho aka and Ghana being the beacon of democracy, Ghana also being the gateway to Africa, and for that matter, Nigeria also being a very big economy. And also make us say Nibi Subiano. Kwame, Nigeria when you were and I was also
Chairman, I think me follow.
I go for answer no problem to cash no one.
Oh,
and that's why fine boy no they pay.
Me moto ya.
And I had it fine boy no they pay in your juma has.
Me moto ya na Nigeria elections, I think the boy more into it, but me follow the kakaka. The boy can. We should senator who shooting in our sanction. It wasn't on any driver. And 828 second once they were burnt into ashes. It tells you say I don't any young papa and I don't know how some of these Nigerians will behave towards, and as when it comes to general elections. Looking at the population of Nigeria, about general elections, I know sure, papa, and this time around, I think it's saying over 24 years, and I said 24 elections and why, and this one of the elections that I know you're ding papa in their history. Into no be any day to be a percent party, them. Ewini but sɛ yɛ ka no woyɛ den a wowi ne kura na nipa no so ana oba abedi nti sɛ worekum nipa no na at the end wo hwere nipa no nyina hena so na oba abɛyɛ den wo abedi sa president no nti yɛbɛsɛ the political parties no, especially the two major political parties are work for elections is they should talk to their people one in one tie for no and kasa even the leaders na kasa comments have been making out there no I can't be and I am a tie for no and so kwani am be and sana emfata I think say run the last campaign go to me no enkoye serious rally be and say campaign be ochina and elections no and so no because so Nigeria so we are hoping
Kwame Where said the two major political parties here All Progressive Congress APC and the People's Democratic Party PDP yes. Say PDP Papa Basanjo line yes good luck Moline
yes
and as I'm say good luck cross APC these are one agent with APC and one agent with PDP who are the candidates the boy are you on top of that one
yeah APC ne Abiola no na Atiku so wo P we no ono na ojana gina niema Nigeria election ye very we and say we population wise and niema ewo ho and ma omo any yidi omo chisa na omo kire say the old folks no afili omo the old folks no afili omo and no they want fresh hands and fresh blood to come na Nigeria team fan ntama pa free afio so mo kire say Nigeria wo talent be bree awomo ababedi o man so mo feel omo say ba talent say ball American ade yo Nigeria female I think immigration officer bia ono enko ano oye footballer esa a high jumper our Olympic games crowd Kobe and so okoye no because of lack of training case ni ade nti wantimi am participate yeah omo 91 and 18 registered omo 91 but 18
Ghana on the registered political parties now yes but per the rules of and as a electoral commission they go on so won't follow mra na they don't recognize you as a political party and also but I tell you candidates and I know means that we jina this political parties APC Ebola Tinubu ono no jina mu duma APC
Abiola Bano
I can't
Abiola Bano de din de edi nanim
yes
okura papa ne din
and oko PDP yawa Atiku Abubakar ono no jina mu edema PDP and we yawa NNPP and also your Rabiu Kwankwaso ono so no ewo
Kwankwaso
yes ono so no ejina mu ezen ohwe ne running mate na Isaac Adahoa ono so no etumi ejina mu se na meka no APC no Bola Tinubu ana ne running mate no Kashim Shetima no and running mates and LP you another political party called a friend LP and no leader na Peter Obi no and the anima and also no run and afin so no ne running mate no and so no Yusuf Dati Baba Ahmed when on ne running mate in the chairman I would say over these two main political parties are running for these elections now. I think they the APC and the PDP. One and the two main and I said yes main political parties. So that's the People's Democratic Party. And no PDP. One so no agent papa. Yes, elections no mainly on PDP and APC. And I'm looking at APC and All Progressive Congress. On and APC. No, you know, Chairman. Elections are no bad. And you know Muhammad Buhari. I know it was from APC political party, and this time around, the people would like to bring in someone from PDP because they've tasted APC governance, for should I say 8 years and I say 2 terms at least, so they would like to try another political party, and attention, most of the attention, as most of the votes, would like to go to Oranidi and Atiku Abubakar of a PDP. So a key in elections are no better than papa, but American we are hoping and praying say at the end of the election, that's even before, during and after the elections, it being such a peaceful elections now Africa so now as a West African in terms of democracy, in terms of peace, as we've been recognized out there, but when it comes to elections, yet you see papa, and especially in Nigeria, we don't preoccupy as say about Newma, about football, even Eduang Piano, Yedi Fufu, and a jollof no soccer competition, and also the L between Ghana and Nigeria. So I think say whatever we do here, they learn from us. Whatever they also do, and I say most of the things that we so yeah, then you see, and so so I think that we are all brothers. So we can all men are brothers. Your best say maintain was and the beba yes maintain was in the beba name no maintain was no enkofa owu and I say a torrential movie and then embesoya nipa no so your best say various political party leadership and so no ne one man for ebekasa no want to one for say elections near kona kwachere wa adwene adwenkyere na adwen enye tuo enye sekan enye agyan enye aba na mo kokrobeti ana also do kwa kyerɛ wadwen leader bi a opɛ senator bi a bɛsɛ auto wabama no ɛno no okwa na don't side them akutim so we are you go home you sit and listen to the radio or watch your television at the end of the day results are bɛsɛ auto no over them obete so yamon pan farmer Nigeria I think the early days years as a casualties in these elections because a whole senator a whole senator with need driver and need aides. I think say papa and the political party a senator it belongs to. I don't think say they will also forgive those people, assuming say the party are then about power, and even if any party can my power kana, I think say any idea what we what the but your best say I would say election is not about do or die. No, it's about adventure. So as a corner coach are doing. The Jamo you ever one prime Nigeria, they will be the best for them.
Kwame, I Atiku Bana partner when you Atiku Bana part Abiola Bana partner. Because our panel can answer Papa winning elections in Nigeria. And my home sense we are saying now how much no nail from we I think say and also yeah some of them must watch and I on top of that one.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they and I may follow me many the China. And I think that almost lessons are number one. Let's never buy it's number one. Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, producers are quiet. Any mpanifumi bekasa na yahwe ni ewum ewo Nigeria. Kwame.
Come on.
Ayi say ewiemu no yemfa ewiemu no ntwamu taw na anapay kana meteorological agency for that Roma yemfa ewiemu no ntwamu na ewia akansi emu nsamba akumienu ene you can say ewia akoye ayi atwunse nsam no the latest bi aba say what Roma dey adom ye anapay e must tete a duty forecaster na ode sansem ya bedan na be kan brofo taw Arapai 24-hour forecast for Ghana, valid from 6 a.m. this morning. The summary is misty conditions are expected this morning over southern Ghana, becoming hazy as the day progresses, whilst dry and hazy conditions will prevail over the north throughout the forecast period. There are chances of rains over a few places in the middle sector from late afternoon into the evening. Koforidua will experience 60% of mist this morning with 26 degrees Celsius of weather temperature this morning. Sunny and slightly hazy in the afternoon with 35 degrees Celsius of weather temperature later in the afternoon. 30% chance of rain this evening with 29 degrees Celsius of weather temperature later in the evening. Accra will experience 60% of mist this morning with 27 degrees Celsius of weather temperature this morning. To be slightly hazy this morning in Accra and its environs. 33 degrees Celsius of weather temperature in the afternoon with partly cloudy conditions later in the evening, and 29 degrees Celsius of weather temperature later this evening. So this is the weather for us this morning.
Okay.
For Anopai said you were a Kofi Anson Bafo Drum Ede Amaya no Yenu Bema Emostete and Odie Echo Eum and Anopai. Now send and channel to me Abano Bono Ebejinum and Anopai na Edeko na numerous yum bitumi atete kakra na yesre adaba fo sa mu kwa mu be no sene ewiem edi adandane no no matumi ahwe wo mu ho eyi afi sene wiem bobre edandane no edudo bi a mbo ehyin kakra na afi yede ko oman infimfini ya afam ho no ensu bitumi agugu kakra nti na yahwe ho yi ede ko na nwumre mu no ensu bitumi agugu kakra tunamo no watumi ahwe ho eyi ni fi wo no ene ba enkran pumpuni mantemu esanze ho eben yen ti no anopa ya me no kasa die ewiem hye no ba ko gina aduesia pepepe na yede ko na wiem no pagya no ho kakra dia ko aduonu enson na afi emu akoye hyen kakra na senia ebegina awiam eni ba ko gina aduasa miensa ewiem hye no na afi ebo no begina mu a na anwumre akọ aduonu nwotwe de ne saa no netumi de akwakoda na afi ye wokofo dua so de na chese yenka no de no anopai no ebo no begina aduasia na ewiem hye na ko gina aduonu ensia awia no begina mu awia no begina mu emu otumi hye no ede ohyema ko gina aduasa enum na ye hwe se ensu betumi agugu no ne ho ahode begina aduasa pepepe na fi anwumre akwakoda no ohye no begina apoema ntemu titi ne kofo dua no begina aduonu enwotwe anopai se ko ewiem a na emostete ne ode bre eno no ye de aseda bi made a ne de bi ema Ofla Construction and Real Estate essence woma boa yen etumi akose ne ewiem ebesi aye womo ana mbo ekokose ewiem ebetumi adandan de a usi dan no a no cement papa wape blocks papa no produce onim ho de no otumi aboa iron rods any plywood ni nyina no okọ Ofla Construction onsa betumi akabi afi wo si dan no wonje bre na wonsi enso fama wa betumi agebre asini kama ede ama payloader services omoje bre enso ye afi wo petrack bi ede akodi dwuma so a okọ Ofla Construction and Real Estate omaso ya ombetumi abo ebisa ema yira kwan ene to betumi afrem panyini 0552 957 198 0552 957 198 and after 0279 012 954 omo amono krom obosomase kuapem and after Koforidua apem antama hinkro ye kwa adisua kwa so de abefo ntintankase no so www.oflaconstructionlimited.com www.oflaconstructionlimited.com ho ano bi ho mo nsem enyinala o say your property our priority na fi yenko pimu ye Elise Aya Rental Services and Co-Store medical aka say putupuru yenkase boni bi mra wo de na obi anim se sabi ye nua be ma atwu obehye go na ade achi a sabi ye hu no na ene yefra kuntunkuru ne brisi eba se udofo bi be ma oba afim na kwokere adwurade a adwurade no yawa ayede gum no enkantete for no munya sika ntoni bi ntemu de gu nema bi amu ene de yetimi akese ne kama e ma me Elise Aya owo bi kama ko kire adwurade wo krom yi ase ne ade no a ukogya warepo a yawa ode ne ma bi gum no oba na so ya obetumi anya bi eno achi enkonwa and afi table send ye can no serve yourself in ade edi nkyɛnse bɛsɛm so a cutlery set me kyerɛ atre didi ɛne ho ne nua ba akwenfo akoi kama obenya bi ɛde ama afi abonyunu ɛno ɛyɛ ne ɔmo de we no gum no kama si ekɔ picnic ne ade na wanya box kama ɛde agum na kyerɛ ubie so a nyonyonyonyonyonyo ice chest no asi wanya bi de agum na mo aduane no sɛbe anyinka ne ade afei nam ahodo bi a wopɛ efi nkosua kɔpema kokɔ ne sisi ne nan kotodwe ane ne tin ne nyinaa no elisa ya osebra no benya bi ɛde ama o kropɔ akuapem amanfo ye kyerɛ ha ya ana wɔn mu ebutu 0246 813-731 0246-813-731 at least aya ɔsɛ de bra no bɛboa papa wɔn ɛne so yɛ asene a ɛkɔhwɛ wiem ɛbɔbrɛ akora ana wɔsi ɔda roma
I mean yemra tona akwansi mu nsɛm no kwame den na ɛkɔ so
chairman
ɛnɛ na ka munye hye na monkɔkyia na
sanka
chama me nanka makɔ
Remo stadium if you are nanka Remo antino we know part to park bia na updates kakra wo na yemfamra yasa na chama na munu say still na about Christian Achu ni una na annual delegation so it me ko ekochia Christian Achu ebusia na first delegation they do outside around up 9 a.m. no the National Democratic Congress NDC youth wing you know and it me ekochia led by the National Youth Organizer George Oparado and a deputy Selom unyina it me ko na Eastern Regional Deputy Youth Organizer Nathaniel Tete and after Greater Accra Regional Youth Organizer so na Madina Constituency Youth Organizer unyina to me ko ekochia Christian Achu Sam na ebusia na okwa no so no na je say what the niama horo na insu ane niama ekeka ho ekwe na afin so na amount of 2000 Ghana cedis and so no wotumi ere account echi ana afin so no former footballers ni bi so ye de etumi eba ebechia ebusia Samuel Nkum akwakuchia ona na yere street to make up ekuchia ebusia so na the New Patriotic Party and so no MPP and so no later and so to make up ekuchia ebusia and so an amount of 20,000 and so no to me at my ebusia so wonje na won fan ye nhye ahuru bia ewo na wachi eno ho na hye no so na wachi no on the 4th of March and so no we betimi edi na wachi no Christian Achu na wachi no ntia ne nhye ya ene ebusia so no every year edi afaye Christian Achu ni wu no enso no enwo na chairman ye ka Christian Achu insensem na ene Chastela ono ze a former footballer Edma had to focus Asante Koroko the senior national team wabubida eba no football onimbo ba Chastela gaza otitise FA no consider so be retire ahead number 7 JCL Black Stars na Chastela some organize ono na FA ni nya adwene so te ase ono FA ni nya even Maradona kura obo je World Cup kura de ma Argentina no enya de award retire ni jersey anke FA ni obibi ya and at least stadium be sports facility be now we see now the Indian to so then we know say or retire number 7 shirt jersey now Black Stars on those who say anya dia because say bibia what they bo atudi and what be kai atu then we know sanka sports facility be and anke ni worry see now what the Christian atuding and so no e de ato so anka dia ebebo apante ne nsama ene no Charles Taylor ono so no atumi ade ababontin ayen so no ye de atukaka ade amana German unze Ghanaian players ni bi enso no awamana ni na ene so no Ronaldo one no disem enso no atumi ade aba na America MPP ekopie mu ewo Christian Achu ebusia fi no na say ni general secretary adema the New Patriotic Party no you are Justin Kudia ane ono so no edi anima ono so wokoe na wokochia ebusia na area na nabi ono no national organizer no ono so kansa so na Nassau coordinator outdoor the boy Adam for Haruna Futa yes work to me coach here William Yamwa director of finance and administration at my party no and also no to me acquire say we coach here ebusia kama and also no what they say to me by na chairman uguremu as you know the Ghana Stars akachi and he was in summer 2 years and one target and so it will be winning the Ghana Premier League and I feel so no the MTN FA Cup and no Nino once no the one boy and I hold in the shim send a Ghana Premier League and the MTN FA Cup and also no will be to me then eji na how to folk na me fans no fancy Dr. Nyawo Tamakula kasa as unim so a house supporter na team ni be lose na wa be ka sebi nse mu na as won to me support team na ya to na ko o ze nye force onye chelpa tie wo ye house of folk supporter your mark no wo be sha house na mo kuma be ba soro na ma be di mpanyinfo atem ni ade a o se ebe ya by force ya team no fato na fezu ko pro baby na tena enen ntama Dr. Nyawo Tamakulu onu so no etumi ede atuga na nra Kudus Mohammed usansi form na adinin bi na so na mfa na je say na Union Berlin ana afin so Ajax na the Europa League no boy ni na say Brighton ni din enso no ede Kudus Mohammed nra olusu 3-1 na Brighton no so no na the consolation enso no etumi ede ama Bobo Kwani din di Ajax and Stade na MTN FA Cup when the weekend in matches wo memo boss na yemfensi na yembeto aso ofie dia MTN FA Cup Sunday matches we to gan Ken Faisal and so and Steadfast ebebo Samson Bobo Kwani din di Aduana Stars and Asante Koroko ebebo and so Traman FC and the BB United ebebo Samson and in Real Tamale United and Samatex and so ebebo Dreams FC out there and so and Liberty Professionals ebebo ano Saturday channel so say Dreams FC game no Saturday 3 p.m. and as a match na ebeba so Ebusiana Drafts and Kotoku Royals ebebo we no inya Cape Coast as a zigi point to man say Ebusiana Drafts there as a baby I want ebe fro no aba adwuma ntam na as I don't know Kotoku Royals we dey say mo say and so and Ebusiana Drafts and ebebo Legon Cities and Volta Rangers ebebo Sansona and in Kpando no Heart of Lions and I think so no Sky FC and so and ebebo chairman many updates kakra and also no ewo no yes so there and you know 10 a.m. on a Global Sports no sama huru ni nyina no yes so there na emu man pay adansi die bre na za adansi die bre and so ni ma mi wura mu our star 787 as na just say and so no me fan komo kakra emfemfi emfambra the boy unze na yes amanfo no beje cash na kama na
yeah enra ko bi frame say anka won kofi yanka oba so Anton Boase adubia so
adubia wa haya
so eba no so okudware aba say now be jiska wa haya no say da bi okuma there oba say uluku nice and beautiful nti wasi anope oba na ote wonkan kwa there klebezim azim
okay ntino wateme nkan ntino me sore super amra na omeji asika wo ani ni pantana ntino chaman star 787 ash yakagum dia na say eni no ene na aba obi abonidin obi a edididi south ya so obi didi na say star 787 ash star 787 hash ano ane ni boys and the girls and asofo ne empanyifo nyina dididi no atwe papa payim oba okay ni ama na ekoyi be full house nkwa na mitwa na say yes opese wudi a was what the nam ne nam opese wudi ne kase dia full house na me recommend I then ama it ni yan say wa fa phone no but star 787 hash yes wa boy wi
full house na just waji aboso no
yes aji aboso full house say din kura say me the man full house na aji aboso
no baby obefa bi okura
baby obefa amama yo se bia da hada there's sana eyin wo twa no da hada so fa ukura no na da wanu ju na me hwa time kura baba we this obia o bi say me na Jaffa me Lisa Jaffa me say 10-12 and I said message I still one ticket today and this was the outcome. Now I say hey my Jaffa sana no do the full house okay pen owuram we twa just any ticket in da ene owuram na say we owuram asan wa chan twen o chan Saturday jackpot no and then me and Jaffa don't you what na baby girls no you say one Jaffa me we baby girl na be eke o mtwa mumu bi a mesi da bi mumu na star 787 ash and na mama be mawo I was what pesika egu kutokum ntene baby girls na Jaffa just say no obi anso no episka edi egu no kotokum ntene ma menkan for star 787 and so no enfama ofa phone about star 787 na say what you choose first option no option 1 no ene no ya cho play now so that you play now ntene you choose option 1 na asambe ma another option na eno so ya cho buy tickets na say ticket dudu bia obesa auto our star 787 aso no eno so no na wato enso na rifiwo na me ne wa na be se me di 10,000 Ghana cedi anopa bia na akameto full house no ntene auto full house na akonya say anopa bia early bird no be win 10,000 Ghana cedis no enso no soro na auto ticket ni wi a na afie nso no odi mobile money no atuaka na say wabo mobile money pin no na no so no atuaka na say nso no ukọ wanim star 787 so no aso na sa adwumadi odi mu be hyem a channel so say onya 18 years edeko 18 years edeko na ni so register mobile money account mobile money account na ni no nso no odi odin and all details and register mobile money account na say also do hu age star 787 ni na say na dey bia make amisa no pa bia no akonya say 10,000 Ghana cedis encantities kan 100 million and so betumi di egu kotokum sanso na no you fam so no nsuti ya tickets nse watododo ye raffle no na ye fa ticket number na and so tie ya 10,000 Ghana cedis encantities kan 100 million and so betumi edi egu kotokum we no fida ko anase joda ko pim fida na memeda no ene jackpot no tie jackpot no eno memeda 700,000 Ghana cedis tie ni 700,000 Ghana cedis na no that the boy bisa questions no what's the jackpot sky na Africa 700 billion ebi 70,000 ebi 700,000 Ghana cedis encantities kano 7 billion ana no jackpot no achana memere osutie ya otu beden etumi awini intime kanfo star 787 enso no etumi eri amount na yesa odu nwa jem no pesika enso no egu kutokum misi oto full house no kura no ota na eni when we ne kura na yeshas a number etato full house etato ticket no do ene me yancha na de etumi cha 1,000 Ghana cedis etumi cha 1,500 etumi cha 500 Ghana cedis etumi cha 200 Ghana cedis ankabe ya fatso wokaso nyana no star 787 achede no sunu buru ja ntabre ne ado nyana meka jose fa hu jem na afi sunu ti Command Radio 97.1 na seze no sene ye no achede no kura no yebetwa wa uta to ticket no dodo no o ana ebe fro se je na se ye dey den acho ene na se Command ye ba be ozobu ha ontie show na
ontie
na na sama ba bi ni se yichina fasi ya idi ni maana o betina aboko abaji luto sika no na nitwa de obeso betwa misiano oso kofi obaye kofi namsa whatever it is nyankopon nim so abaji luto sika obi anim kwa nyankopon nim mo record no
o kasai
mo na so fo mo so luto sika no abaji
so no kura de won aje mo chairman asofo ni won aje mo just say afore ne mba enti won nyina so de won awura mo star 787 enti anu so no na ense ya wo ho no terms and conditions no tie eno no open terms and conditions na hu a okọ yan website na www.787winners.com www.787winners.com eno okwa and any terms and conditions and say and she say first star 787 as no and so no ewo nti okwa onsa ebeka ana penchiche mu bia and so na dia first star 787 as no free numbers no we know service agent and as a customer service agent we call super 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 now WhatsApp no obu on per phone so kasa WhatsApp no kwa obesa WhatsApp star 787 ashefo WhatsApp number ni 0272 636 448 0272 636 448 now so no on star 787 as and so no ending come and pay on the kura mu say ye bawuram na sama aka no so no etumi aba yentwa ye homra ye ba sama aka nyina no so ebeto aso
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Say you cast a Dominion herbal powder, Emma immune system, and then Quabo will nip a drum yet. Nan the senti, what I did, I resume Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare fine pa, Manumbi, Tina me do one dancing, and I say, me say.
Dominion herbal powder, dear. Minia, and yet a month for dancing tea, and a bacon fool. Near I yet a woman nip a diamono, a bro my drink, and a mentias so. And my Dominion herbal powder, and Pawu de Biarada.
As someone at the honor, Dominion herbal powder, and runs for you will sue a share with tea cap. Now that trick to us, Biagumu, what fancy yanum. What we Angels Dominion Herbal Center, one cocoa and a diaba, a pen for a baton more monufo, and Quadawin if you do me one count. Dodo Afre 054 315 8195.
FDA, Aji, a gradient cratui atum.
Asempe bia ba. Upe sika akostati ejuma bi. Uhia bosia atre udwadie mu. Uye government ana private worker unye sika dia te hot bi so. Uye busumi ejuma unye scan tempa bi so. Any na quick credit be ma obosia mu achia ne kakra. Eye collateral free loan na susu savings account opening ni deposit biara nim. De hia ne se uye Ghana ni na wo Ghana card. Se wanye adwuma afi we mu de kodia na wo na upe o excuse biara nim. For quick credit it was 0302 200 390 and na 0596 920-833. Number for Biara Frewa and quick credit. Shannon so say quick credit and malone ewo internet so. Inti Shanna Obiara and Dadao. Bank of Ghana am momu dwedie ho kwan na kai say nhihye da ho.
Quick credit. Lending made simple.
Mani Jiminia. Menu aduane wo fie ane de nti se ne amepe no. Minnim kwan amefa so amefiefu ani be gimeduane no.
Menu apin. Nyina nim se de na papa pewaduane no asene ma me de mpo.
Na afi aba ne se na enso me amani. Esese me ye hu bibi ansa na me ho atwam.
Fa weye waduane free na eko. Na pharmacy da brain me achiri.
Kwai ne desi. From Suku. Hello. I didn't know drew her. Sabubane duane na asa. Ma obiara mbɔ me subu.
Ofie natural spices adom me. Me here bi sisia de bia no amaduane wo me fie hada. Na me de bi nso akogu me so to mu ato.
Ofie natural spices powder. Edelnu bededi.
Atufuan frɛ 0552 617 139 0546 761 939 0242 299 0691.
Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in Penny for say. Enya cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomodia the weni choma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Sambi person to call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. Anafe. Almost supply abo anya. Anafe bibi biara upebia wa building site wo. Kaiser almost they are into real estate development and so it would dino person upejan in tempa. Wofra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Gobejo so for any chino bosumasi krapem. A monochrome krapem. Koforidia Asunjay Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company wo ho from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 90 954. Woko social media handles in nyina eye Ofla Construction Limited Company wonsa erekomo kaisa omo ye free delivery baby awo bi emfa ho ye de bekwa koja on tempara se nya Ofla dia and there you are not building Kayo Sa Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
We shall be alright. Yeah. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. Yeah.
This one, when the tides are raging high, oh yes, we shall win, we shall survive. Oh, Jah shall wash away all my tears. Jah will wash away all our tears. We know we shall win, we shall survive. Even when the tides are raging very high. Oh my God.
When the wicked try come and eat upon us.
Nah, the wicked can never survive. They can never win this one. Good morning to you, Afro the Taylor. Right at Wasito. And a prayer for you, but you put me today. Taylor, pa. Just wash away your tears. Comrade Kofi Afol and a prayer boy. And Ra Oskuli, me papa. Na I still do fair. Apparently, or you buse penny akasakasa. I'm my mom watching as I bring. What's Abusabe? So do on never say penny or no. And Obi Champs on the same penny. Apparently, I saw never say penny Nankasa.
Still wicked in high and low places. No matter what they do, no matter what they try, I and I, we shall overcome. Because Jah shall wash away the tears from my eyes in times when the storms and the tides are raging. We know we shall win, and we know we'll survive. Jah shall wash away all the tears.
On Common Radio, 97.1.
All the tears from my eyes in time when the storms.
All right, I make Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital, right? Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital in the Mampo Abutechi. Good morning to you, Danny. And also to my friend and brother Forikai. We are more accounts department. Alaji Abu, head of finance. And Mr. Labis, head of administration. Medical superintendent, you know. Dr. Bernardo Poema, very good morning to you. Danny, for come on into a memo fans on the pay. Come me check you on the pay. Okay. And I didn't party. Good morning to all the staff of Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital this morning. I know you guys are doing a great job. My band and ranting so much more than oh, yes.
And Bridget and empty.
And also department.
Also administration. So NSS.
Okay.
That
also will be Ohana.
Tetekwashi de Mincroft Bebre, you know. And I don't pay one more. Madam Bakusu Mogo. Much the honor. I know your crack with you or try you sumo to brag. I don't know. 10 many years and Bebana, every day a year, 7 much the home common, and tea a year Michiano, and I feel matter is my rabbis here, Juma, or Hormonti.
Matters for my
we are
the boy, in 2 round upon our matters for the what's the answer?
Master, send me Chiamo, one, Michia, Madame
Famoto. Oh,
I mean, to be out here, and Rasancano, Macumba, now and then you may say, Mewakushia Bishop, and then you may say,
free a Kufuria.
Aye.
Only if you go for the
I know if you go for
1 man 7
but you say 1006 no.
1006.
I am follow me aye.
Say
one baako ye nkomo no ntia me ye frame na nwumre no. Baako ye story no for Methodist school na wo junction ya no. Baako ye no. Ana 2
I'm person pagani mom no.
That's fine. But me one no ye no. Ana baako so ye say I am nsusu. Don't say now so I saw the BM. No, near me cannot never care. Until you coba, you be some more money. It's in your Hano.
My make a champion for this. The boy don't just my average. Momo dear handle near my cameraman, mammy. Nah, anyway, I make how much time in your interview tell now. Yemra or my train was watch it. And I pay Alaji Abbas Moro. Or no industrial relations officer the Ghana Private Road Transport Union of TUC GPRTU and they in Sakano omde enkra aba abeto say sa good for oil no aban keka no say ba and they ombetime nya mfa so bi na nneɛma tumi akɔ fam so wɔn de wɔn hunu hwee mpanimfoɔ sɛ kakum gyinabɔ kwakuo no mene kɛsɛ Alhaji Moro ankasa wɔ Hamayɛ Alhaji wotie nka san kadi anamika sɛ
Oba anopa ekwa ya.
Akola ya baba.
Lafia lo.
Kana lafia. To. Baba anopa ye frɛ wa enye boni. Ya te sɛ mo sɛ gold for oil no money da so pa asase na aban esi ka no. Ba ya na nka GP2 for mo han mane oil amode twa mutwa mo car no etete so na petrol ni diesel so kɔ fam so no kre ni wan ka sɛ tru yi boni mo hu sɛ hunu hwee ɛte saa
shedan tisa
de sɛ boy kyerɛ mu
ye kyerɛ no sɛ ye ahyenkafo de fango na ye de ye adwuma na ye patcho sɛ ekwan bia aban be fa so a ye nye shortage no omo ba modern koso sɛ na be a because fuel shortage ba ye ashenkafo no ye adwuma no beba at a standstill ebinom bebre wo ho amode omeko omo adwuma nti ye sre say ye mbomode kwan bia e be fa so either gold for oil or cash for oil or ye mbomode say ye benye fuel at all time na ye mfanye adwuma secondly ye da so patcho ye bo the ramo bia ti say fuel price no is still on the higher side. Mumbo de shisha bebre wo ho amuya price no ebeba form omunye na emba for me America say wa me do kasai say wo ka wo ne ka wo obusanfo say price no drop the possibility of your price no so ye be sure amamu no is also there because the whole Ghana niama se some bia to no niama mo no ya shenkafo pe na yetumizi ye niama yetu mu so apart from that danio niama yetoshe o niama yesra o na ekoso nyina none of them was reduced until so bia nya arishemu se can be ye be yamba until bia can be mine na yenhwe na omo hwe fango adwuma no so no omo hwe na omo reduce price no maye se na be a yɛn be transfer wa hontom so saa na etie say mina na okan no say na okan no na it sound differently but yeah shaka for the kan no say yɛn say all time around no ye benye fuel no dia adwuma at a very good price no so and ya asem no gina nyama mienu so
say usura na say hu omumu ni say ebia gold for oil na gold in coin na say
na gold no sa
na just oil na every man nya bia yaduma de bia bra ho bra
me no anu na ya me say no present mu no na sound different kakra wo mo asumo and this is the situation.
Na mo ne empanifo finance ministry transfer ministry modin komo ma de no maka kire mo
ya din komo na ka ye be bia ye be din komo but I did not clear sign normally say ye better lawyer firm mo ye share na share ye bia ye presenter gentleman defender who say who to lawyer firm identity na who to lawyer firm the minimum cash insurance, you have to move around 41%. Local government in share all the assemblies, lorry park, new permit, new renewal of commercial driving license, I use soon, meaning control by this percentage. Fuel also control by this percentage. Yes, we are two lorry firm by this percentage. One was saying that she share nothing. But for now, no, the predict is insurance policy I have to move. Any local government assemblies sika mo atomo no ye de ni na ahya botomo na ka fuel no so akodu 8% no era 10% more anka na about to bank obata na abafom enti amaya to me ani transport ministry for na kosi akonya normally sa na ye say ye ho kire ye kodu 10% so bia na yes, she said, my normal for answer. But here in the case, I didn't go across road, they are standing a bit, and definitely who assembly can. I said, we should last crunches on it here.
Na baba o hwe sene na no petrol ye ba fom ne nyina ni age na asa hwere ko gina ba bi gina ya sese no mo beta tum dama bia ene mo besa to lorfe ni mo hu
oh that be another American church ya sami e porno bi wo so bia hu say ye to lorfe fuel mo atan se to mo be 4-5 times and sana yes ya kunya say ye to lorfe mo sana ye to no enye se mo ti say ya yi so ba ku na HSA against UNG lorfe mo so and this it depends on percentage. Baby a bedroom and now baby a bedroom so a bedroom. And that now you bet now boy a cuckoo. I can say Namamu yet game yet pen as women's and porno. Only I think afford pet no multimedia money amass. Daniel Eddy, watch charity 2 cities, 5 cities, and then in some bar 2 cities. No, Yama baby or yeah 2 moon. It has come to stay.
Enti emprempre no o he petrol na motor ne say ni diesel no motor ne say
oh say petrol ne diesel now it no 15 cedis and some pesos ni na wo salary range and yeah price there yeah to men bafum crab do by cedis 50 pesos a liter na say na so ya humba try kafra
Alaji anapai ye beda was na wo kwa bia na wo SMT2 bia pese wo ka kire wo members any wodma ayem customers any aban yam akwan be 5 minutes
da se nyame machine kra ye bomb pa se nyame bo mo machine ho ba na ense
ami
ye be pa ashenkafo na chose se si ama o manu mi na hu se ye adwuma no ho ya economy no so ekitaye to mumma manya nye brebe basabasa ebema endia ya nyeno ana traces ya nyeno ebesei obi anya botere nya madu baby a etese nsi akonya na nsisa ebesisa report bia China passengers no so omun kan kwai se Ghana yetim pa no ashenkafo yepe na yɛtumi hu ɔmo mmɔbɔ nti ɔmo bɛtena ka mo koraa na ahyɛnka no bi yɛ biribi ɔmo ntɔ ɔmo bu ase sɛ na ɔmo de no bɛkasa ɛna ɛbɛyɛ a yɛ nyina bɛtena sɛ wɔ asomdwoe mu yɛpɔ obiara kyɛw sɛ yɛnyɛ vice versa ahyɛnka ne passenger bi bɛtena wɔ ka mo na wɔka biribi na ɛnyɛ wo da ɛnyɛ ntɔkɔ yɛmfa ntɔkɔ a ɛnsɔlve problem tɔ bu ase na explain it ɛnam sɛ ɔnka yɛ adwuma no ho no problem a yɛwɔ no no passing on into no better was at so ora na madam and tisa na say na edumanity and a bear a many bear a bear class of us in and to the door bear say and I had the tone service yaba so I have a patch of no bear dream bar no fun and shame because you see accident do what it could be avoided. Then yes, accident now you better now avoid it. Stationary car say I see one baby any maybe 3 days, 4 days. The 4th day nobody say will be a coraka and I say I'm a go for baby.
Alaji Imoro say no car towing services be one sem and I your friend is saying petrol say na come say question bi e dey afa your friend is saying oil baby omo ton yare kwan baby an price from the two enti ebia na baby omo ton no because me say me no ka say me saka yi for or they say kwame yi star info o hwe eboa omo do omo de na gina as if super 13.79 and this on here 14.19 as compared in terms of okoto baby no be near Casano chest okoto full na aya na hu hia se wo behwe liters no okojama me 200 awanya ya de yi So I call that what you so.
And Chairman, I think advisor you ran the Miami the passengers and the drivers meet, you know. I think say no foot to some of them make us sampa because no cano driver for no muna munim or how na ever no even more than the passengers in enyan talk ourselves to which passenger near na passenger no so I at na sounds na passengers no so enyan say who could di driver be atem and I mate be atem driver ni na mate na enyan no too full no so ono those increments na ba intimacy transportation say be my then matum nti nkonko di na temana anene nkoko nso nte won ase a bisa no no nso nye den enchirichiri umu aya na ekofa nsem bibiri ayi den e de abanse be hye abasinja fo no na driver fo no meet from the wo aya wonya nto ase edusa brima na but the government also aban no so no ekobanya o ye den aban ni din na ye be den because we were promised a lot when it eba fuel not promise to say war fuel on and someone that was so now we are buying a liter super A13 cedis a liter
almost 14
diesel A14 almost 15 cedis and that was
I'm saying a car 21 pesos now 14 cedis yeah
yes and idea how I drink pass so you best say good for oil atete issues are about issues are about good for oil you and in came for we expect say fuel prices and so better ever form na the fuel prices cause I affect BBR and the best say embra form na niama so no embra form driver form so yes the best embra form so transportation want also embra form not one then embra form and come na go for passenger and driver phone talk them about passenger not to say want to transport so and a lorry fare so or we driver nzi was you na to make am me so we show kra no kan account ni na so ya there and I didn't talk on them about ye besere se san hye ni ya won hwe na yeso ya won so no ntimi ha kakra the boy
yeah I'm say man dey say na di me ka no ye nyina yewum ni mamu ayehye but e ba se ombetimi ahwan so animanim ya na nimanim atoto yi a muntimi ahwan so mbo se ne me ne kwa me ya adwene ne owura na won ne kasa no so ya adwene se ni ofro ni okura enyina yin no kura ma ya ho ni ofro shen ni okura shen ni nyina no enyina yin no kura so ma ya ho ana general o kan sembi brenda na me yusu afidie tetafo no na obi chairman dey we se okotofu well na okase auto sidisa wawie se eba na say ni munti okwa ohwe baabi a liter side no no na o calculate to so a wo se no bebo ama wanya ade no mo na okase auto sika ne de a wo se wo di sika to sika wo se meto 10 cedi ana 50 cedi abo se wa 10 ne keke so bebu ama so mu ma o ye ni mo yi yakoko gina ho enti wo mo so ebu ma ye e wo ye various stations no o mo hwe o mo ma ye
so mamni alaji mwie alaji samu akwa ba
yo ya da se am say line na ka ti
na say de ne te ho
na me pa ye no na ka to yi ya de towing service na ye de aba no ye bomodern say accident ba ko wo it could be avoided then yes accident no enu ye car say a esikwam how be go say will be on name or travel from one side to another maybe anajo enyo bia na no light nso ko far na wakwa ko run into it enu na ye dia ba say ye bomodern say o car say a bomodern na subscribe towing service no e very cheap they are buying the buy ye no musi akonya ye pa to ya ye no flexible taxi any private car ye 50 Ghana truck 80 Ghana and high occupancy buses no be 50 Ghana be so 300 articulator and econo for the whole year oh master and now can say you were 365 days in a year we can say 355 times you better to safety 365 times amount say me and no one can my subscriber one cry and then me kokumase and me kokumase na me can no problem the same towing normal me frère Kumase for the family can or baby yes no na yɛde akɔ safety place ama me nti yɛbɛpa kyɛw no ahyɛnkafoɔ nyinaa yɛmmɔ mmɔden yɛmfa yɛn ho nhyɛ wo sɛ me save wo life a wo so bɛsave me life nti yɛbɛpa kyɛw no obiara nyɛ nteaseɛ no na yɛn nyinaa yɛn subscribe deɛ mede bɛtwerɛ toɔ no no
ɛno no yɛ GPI TV4 ɛna ɛde aba
hello
mebakyɛw ɛno no yɛ GPI TV4 na ɛde aba
hello
Alhaji metoka wote meka Alhaji unfortunately I think we've lost Alhaji MCDC Tony there very important but say baby o homo otoka so utimi enya Tony company na be adwuma na ano afre no eno na cheaper than say obetwe be say na omo abeto so beto na 1000 na utu abe 3000 penalties and usually no ana o prefer so benya a towing service and on by Juma. Ebinem say, baby, okay, I'm the Zoom line yes or yes, be now. Minim say be on my partner, but then can see the moon come but whatever it is, it a Brasia, mammy, when you wunia. Na ya car, you be baby, to that may be a baby home near Jimu and Jimu.
Yeah, na me can't to in the nothing for we know. And Beato na yango to in say na ya na eboa unse obi ho no mo say be afide ya I will cry now they may advance eco school na e bia puto pro bi asia at least omo de towing car ne ba na so omo ka bia betumi abo intentem na otimi de mo fra na ko na omo ato car na ko bia be sisi ne ntama wa ya na eno nso boa oman ya atwa ehun ahia ne omo atukwan kwa approach ban kwa omo ko bombe ka kire ne abrofo no omo hyehyɛ omo man na kwakodu omo yesa ebo omo na ha no ba na ose yen ne saa senti ase na nya adwumo se den yo enti no omo timi de mra gu kwan mu ne magu kwan mu na etua bibi ne betumi aboa ma towing no atumi agina na aso akoyi a e betumi aboa ema oman kyekyɛ na atumi akoso kwa na me ka asem bi se on se price na de agu ha no price na de ukọ filling station na price no na o ha no nti ahen na woto no ne woto ni nie ti wudi sika no koma no bi se me to 13 cedi a obi se den so obu 13 cedi e de amount what they say nti ye ya ye ni mu akwakoto a ye kwa de sika no koma mo se e to 13 cedi no wo mo ni mu na ye mo ni no kura nso mfama ye wo mo ni no kura mfama ye because obi tumi ka me ko filling station no me bu 40 cedi o ni da krokra ana sai which means onu ni mu njo ma osika no sebi wabu bia de ama no ana ode ko what they say kwa me tin say oto petrol ti say bia 10 liters and 4 liters 15 liters I think a day dey etimi do utwa but bitimi to say 100 cedis 200 cedis if you anapa kopma nwumre no o hwe na asa go because ono ko ye no onni mu nti menkase ye wia no but ye bu bia de ede ben ede ama no nti sɛnea papa ne ka na nso wodi bi ka so no me ka ho me ne mo ya adwene ne auto ne obu ne altna car ne mu ne oka no ɛsɛ ye nyina ye boa ye ho na de nyina timi ɛkɔ nkan ma ye de bia me ka ɔman ni mu ahye sɛnea ye ni abɛma ne ka ne mu ahye ne mum ya betumi aboa ye ho na de nyina atumi akɔ nkan ɛde ama ye kwa me
as I was sɛnea ɔka no the boy I think say ɛno an you rather buy the liters instead of 100, 200. As I say, one of fuel station, they know what they are doing.
I hope now customer 100. Only so wouldn't need to audition or booby be a kafu. So be ko so 150. Aquana me 15 cedi. The China papa oh ja, and yet 15 cedi. I'm told oh sorry. What they are saying. To now. Bubu bia de agum wa de amount no emi enu ni na ne auto ne obu ne okra na kafidi ne ade nya betumi aboa ade nya betumi akonkan de amaye yeah
Arapai star 787 hash ne kwame o say
so say no anu na boys ne jafa wan kokora fo no kura jafa but me afutu sem na me de be ma say and
Ulman banana down for Bonachidom.
Yes,
I'm 3 days ago they were here and they were here yesterday. And no damn suspended Jamedas, Yaji papa.
Full house no, I know a full house no. So I think food to some no, Ojina kind of food to some and then food to some man and say and no uta to full house. What I say, I'm far kurana also a tickets now toy. What I say, it to me tenacity and I share. Branty and as a number a title full house. yencheni sika. It's my 1,000 Ghana cedi. It's my 500 Ghana cedi. It's my 200 Ghana cedi. It's my 1,500, 4,000. Ni na no there star 787 action so no e dey action one shishi mu. Nti ni a futu sama na be man say orota no to full house. Mingase chenchena action na emu no sanka kunya no be koso na want to me the 10,000 Ghana cedi anope bia no anka out of full house na ebeboa. Now chances of winning no and so no etimi akosoro. Jackpot no so achana. Jackpot achana memenda. The jackpot no was over 2 na being anopa and an yofa. Sati ase intifa hunshim. Ozi memenda be da if you feed down if you numere super 10,000 kutokum na fe wuram e o memenda. Achana mu yi wo so menya. Me wuram me pe 10,000 and you fe makose enwe yi ase kakara. We are beginning airport on account of you damn there where you as a salve and then you know star 787 national as you dear Mujima area. But Sana Mecano, Unya, if you do what you have, if I won you, but is there you always a room?
Yeah, only 18 years and found room.
Yes, now you're January responsible.
Yeah. Was it better inside? It can be addictive.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't there. Dan sister back on so ko to be not 1 cedi no am say there because you try to kase
yes
1 cedi there yem fa nko 5 cedi obona kwa me ndo na me ye calculation bi say wo there say makoma num and say utumi eko fan say 5 cedi sa 5 25 Ghana cedi no wonya 10,000 wo the 25 Ghana cedi efi 10,000 mo wo dey say na hwe mfa so obenya 15 Ghana cedi tifi 10,000 100 million mu mfa so obenya kwa me mebusam say ohia ni oni ayonko what yeah
boys nka poor no friend
ohia ni ayonko eno kwa me say Proverbs 19:4 what say a poor man has no friend but the rich has many friends yes and ohia kra obi atufo onfefo kra be po enti no fa hunram na jisika nti na papa ne ba no yonko ndi na chi no what you say anya ba akofo na ji na ni o anya ba akofo na di nya nti ni we dey Proverbs 19:4.
Okay.
What's your yen in Yonko?
Proverbs 19:4.
Oh, yen you near Yonko. Ah,
it's a jackpot, and I'm sure.
Oh, yen in Yonko. Now, I say, na ne £50 for crab pono. Uni scandino. You know, be a dry. Yeah. And you also be a two for. But yes, you hear you be a two for a general, Uncle Pedro and Cacredi. Now I'm one and coming in here.
Sano na oyo bia na eyibe fie ni ade a wo no wama wo je namona ne ade no wama wo be yinsunum oyo bia da
wo no be hu
namona nsuro no na
ya se bibia ni ho
abari ma so na eje atafiro opu ya crash ti atafiro no na wo ni no so on pa wo na we je akum atafiro ewusan
ye na se hwese nkunwa na ebi nyira
ko kan na ebu wa
sa
wa wo sika de
na pato ma so nwa o se wo sika se ye ntwe Big Joe no mra Big Joe no sika ni
yes ni ya star 787 as oma won you mpaboya enku tefero abusia meeting as sika wo ho
and o mama na tenten so
sika wo me ja na kan o say instruction without money I don't take it nti nka wo sika wo de am instruction munje yinko ye ni hunti isusu say nsa ke be isusu ni nyina ko wie sika nti sika so munje ko ye
ebrebi eye bi si wadu krom na abrante ba ko na owo eye abruchire na omuko ye arrangement nya so fie da be se ne fie don be no ana akwa no wa preaching den kraba se
kwa na ko ma men ko hama so na me no ka say madru Nigeria no wa biokota ne Ibadan ni ade madru kwa me no ka say ye dru Abuja hono hoshie aye se obagana nanam osunu Abuja ne ensaka Frederick Tarila Osuo Tarila Osuo Abuja Nigeria North business entrepreneur and nano say unse question so international man nano
presby hono
children was a youth you know question ko bi enti me no ka say ne saka
kwa na ba ide
presby phone de ko he
oba ne se ne okoye na
ane ma ba ne mrante e ko na no ba
so umukwa ye delegation
ye ko ba ko oni ba ho
Ghana
youth parliament
oja say kono do kokoye adwuma nse ne mum oja oni din wo
sa so no ko
delegation is need delegation
delegation so delegation no one buy no oja oni din kwasi eje ne wo And I'm missing
me. Only pan abo jina.
Edi ya mo trend edi ewo.
Uja odun kwesi eje no.
Edi ya mo trend.
Sabe no nyiye. Sabe no nyiye. Ai.
Also, I don't guess uja oni din wo.
Victoria Land kwa me hon to say I Trasako.
Se wona make us one also uja oni din wo.
I don't know for Ekpe state. Area hono do. Why ma me ka hamane so na kwam na ko je na brofo no ya na wabo am.
Yeah. Mom pen.
Oga, good morning oh. Oga, good morning. Hello, Frederick. I for Yuguswana, you can't imagine na no Edin Kitahon. I will say, and you be a chrono. Oga, Frederick, good morning.
Good morning. I can hear you.
Okay,
good morning.
My brother, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing fine. And you?
I'm also very fine. Greetings from Ghana to you in Nigeria.
Oh, greetings to you too.
Okay. Currently, where are you located in Nigeria?
Okay, I'm currently in Abuja, the capital city of Nigeria.
Okay. And we are calling from Ghana, as you are aware, to follow up on the elections. You know, Ghana and Nigeria, we have very good relationship. So whatever is happening in Nigeria, we are so much interested. We anticipate a very peaceful elections, and at the end, we all will join in celebration, whoever emerges the winner. Can you give us an update what is happening in Nigeria concerning the elections? How is the tension? How is the situation? What's the situation like?
Yeah, everywhere is calm and peaceful. We're all expectant and looking forward to a peaceful election. Presently, everywhere is calm, and supporters of all the various candidates are very hopeful of their candidates winning the election. So everywhere is just normal. Looking forward to tomorrow's election. Yeah, everywhere is peaceful at the moment.
That's what we all pray for. Currently, I think there are some old politicians and some new ones emerging. Some with certain family names like the Bioles and the Tinibus and so. So looking at the situation, I think APC and PDP have always been at the forefront. Can you testify that some of the new political parties are also going to pull surprises?
Yes, in fact, it's looking much likely now because about 2 years ago, there was this protest that erupted in Nigeria, EndSARS protest. Don't know if you heard of it. There was this EndSARS protest. So since then, there's been this outcry for a change of government. So the youth especially have been in the forefront of that cry that there should be a change, that, they are tired of both the APC and the PDP. So that protest led to or should I say a movement now that the youth are now clamoring for a new person that's not from the APC or PDP. So with the emergence of Peter Obi, most of the youths are just queuing behind him, supporting him. So with the way it is now, from the various polls that have been conducted, both online and offline, it seems that Peter Obi is taking the lead. And with the way it is now, the support, you see his pictures on cars and all. So it's looking very, very much likely that he may be able to pull an upset, with the way it's going, because most of the youths are behind him, especially youths from the south and the central region. They are behind this Peter Obi guy.
Okay, what I have about Peter Obi, let me put it across and then let's see if you also attest to it. Peter Obi of the LP, which is a former governor of Southern Eastern Anambra State, where he has a strong track record. Peter Obi has active support based on social media. The 61-year-old portrays himself as Mr. Clean, in contrast to many Nigerian politicians who are accused of using public office to steal money. However, he has been accused of tax avoidance and was mentioned in the Pandora Papers, although he says he has done nothing wrong. He was a vice presidential candidate of the PDP alongside Atiku Abubakar in 2019. But last year, switched to the Labour Party, LP. His running mate is Yusuf Baba Ahmed, a former senator from Kaduna State. So it tells that Peter Obi is not somebody new in the game. He has contested on the PDP, and now he's here trying to do something with the Labour Party. Is that to say, Mr. Clean, most politicians in Nigeria have been accused of corruption and all other vices. Is that to say he has a clean sheet? The people could still rally behind him, and social media, the youth are active there. Personally, looking at the situation, does it come in with a certain surprise that we should expect?
Yes. He does. He has with the amount, with the followership he has on, on social media and even offline. He can pull a surprise. And as for the corruption charges, there have been allegations, but there's none of these of his accusers have taken him to court yet. So if they are really sure that yes, he did this or he stole money while he was in office, they should have the boldness to take him to court. But none of them are taking him to court. So that's why most of his supporters are believing that they are just unfound criticism, and there's no clear evidence. You can't really hold him that yes, he stole money. It's just these are allegations that fly around when elections are
even not to catch you. Looking at the situation, they are even talking about tax evasion. He's not been accused of corruption, but when there's tax evasion, the taxman should be able to come out with a concrete evidence to prove. But as you said, he's been tagged as Mr. Clean. So among his peers or among his competitors, it looks like he's the one they are sort of touting as being clean, of not being tagged with corruption.
Exactly. Yes.
Let's look at the Abiola. I think Abiola, for instance, is trying to ride on the popularity of his father, the goodwill of his father, Moshood Abiola. So this is what I have about the young man. Kola Abiola is the son of the late Nigerian business tycoon and politician Moshood Abiola, the presumed winner of the 1993 elections, which were cancelled by the country's military rulers. A businessman like his father, his vice presidential candidate Zigo Haruna, running for the People's Redemption Party. So Abiola, young Abiola, who is also a businessman and resort like his father, is in the race, in the competition, and doesn't look like this time he's going to put a certain margin to, because his father won somewhere in 1990 something and it was cancelled. It doesn't look like he's going to have some sympathy with the people and all that. Yes, a landslide or something.
Well, to be sincere, he's not among the frontline candidates. To be sincere, he's not even known. I speaking with you, don't even know his party. The frontline candidate.
Because his party, People's Redemption Party, PRP. PRP is coming to redeem Nigeria. Redemption. You need redemption.
Okay. Trust me, in Nigeria, they don't know that party. Maybe it's just within his family and maybe his acquaintance. In Nigeria, the three frontline candidates are Tiku, Tinubu, and Peter Obi. So aside that, I think other ones are just there to fill up these numbers. These top three, we are very sure as Nigerians that the next president will emerge from this among the three of them. That's where we have our next president from. And for now, he's not that popular. So he will need years of, political activities to really, gather that name that will be able to pull votes from all regions. He's pretty unknown as at today. He's still he's more or less an upcoming politician in the scene. Aside from the fact that his father's name is Abiola, he's not known.
Okay, so he's riding on the popularity and the goodwill of the father. And time changes and the situation and dynamics changes. Let's look at Atiku Abubakar, who is contesting on the ticket of the PDP. This is what I have about him. A former vice president, Atiku Abubakar, 75, is running for the presidency for the 6th time. His first attempt was 1992. The business tycoon served 2 terms as deputy to former President Olusegun Obasanjo and was credited with making reforms to key sectors that helped kickstart economic growth. However, he has been accused of various charges of corruption, all of which he denies. He represents the country's main opposition party, the People's Democratic Party, PDP, alongside his running mate, Delta State Governor Ifeanyi Okowa. Looking at his age and the opportunity he's had with the country in terms of running as 2-term vice president, and since 92 he's been trying to grab the premier. The age and all that, and the corruption tax. Atiku and Obi and the other one was the name.
Tinubu.
The Tinubu. So
Tinubu.
What are the chances of Atiku? Can you tell us what his chances are?
Yes, he's also popular here in Nigeria, but the thing is, most of his followership currently they are based in the north. He had this huge followership in the south, but with the emergence of Peter Obi in the scene, most of his supporters are now more or less switched to the side of Peter Obi. So he's lost ground in the south presently with the emergence of Peter Obi, because the south used to be a stronghold. Like during the past election, President Buhari won the north, with a landslide, while he also won the south. But with the emergence of Peter Obi, the supporters of Atiku, they've now, switched sides to join Peter Obi, and that's because where Peter Obi is from, they've not been in power for over 5 decades now. They've not been in power, which are the Igbos. So with him emerging as a frontline candidate, most of the supporters of Atiku who are from the side of Peter Obi, they switch sides, to queue behind him and to support him. And again, with the way Nigeria is, there is this, though it's an unwritten agreement where the North will rule for 8 years, the South will rule for 8 years. With the way it's been now, Buhari, who is from the North, just finished his 8-year tenure. So some of the South believe that the next president should be from the South to create that balance. And Atiku is from the North. So most Southerners are believing that for there to be equity and fairness, the presidential, seats should be given to a Southerner. And Peter Obi happened to be a Southerner. And not just a Southerner that has not ruled for over 5 decades. So most people that are, that are supporting him, they are like, yes, it is torn because they've not ruled for a very long time. For a very long time. The Igbos, where Peter Obi is from, they've not been in power for a very long time. Atiku is a northerner from the same region with Buhari. So handing over from Buhari to Atiku to seem as if only one region will be the ones ruling.
So now looking at the situation, as you said, not to cut you, Nigeria, I think when it comes to the elections, the tribal card also plays a lot of role. So currently,
exactly.
Atiku, he's a northerner, so is it Hausa or is an Hausa?
Yeah, he's an Hausa.
So, and President Buhari also used to be an Hausa, and so this time around, the southern support was enjoying was coming from the Igbos who now have their own, which is Peter Obi. So they'll be switching to their brother. So if Obi is able to pull some surprises at the north, then he combining with the south, he should be able to pull a surprise. And the age-wise to 61, Atiku is 75, and I'm sure Nigeria youth want a youthful person they can sort of relate with. Is that what it means?
Relate with, yes, exactly. They need someone that understands them, as a young person. Because among all, just as you said, Peter Obi, among all the frontline candidates, the 3 frontline candidates, Obi is the youngest. And the population of the voters, the youths, are majority. Close to 70% of the voting population are made up of youths. So the voting population is actually made up of, young people. And so they're trying to toe the line of. But don't get it twisted. Among the youth, they still have those that are supporting Tinubu and Atiku. So it's a bit divided, but the majority are going for Peter Obi.
I think the Biafra situation has been on the table for quite a long time. And they're anticipating, we've been trying to get our freedom. We are not getting our freedom. We want to grab the premier. We are not getting the premier. If you have our brother here, then let us all rally behind him. But once he gets the premier, become a compensation for us to at least to compensate ourselves the last 50 years after Ojukwu and Co and the war. I think so. Peter Obi is likely to pull a surprise. As I said, if he's able to enter into the northern support of his other contenders, Tinubu and Atiku, then he's going to pull a surprise. Let's come to Bola Tinubu. Who is contesting for the APC. This one I have about him here. Bola Tinubu is a former 2-term governor of the Lagos State, where he's credited with attracting foreign investment and improving public transport. Briefly a senator in the early 1990s, he is contesting the presidential election for the first time on the ticket of the ruling All Progressive Congress, APC. He faces various accusations of corruption and has even been linked to allegations of drug trafficking in the US, all of which he has denied. The 70-year-old has also released a video of him using an exercise bicycle to counter reports of his ill health. Kashim Shettima, former governor of the northeastern state of Borno, is his running mate. Full profile of Bola Tinubu. Can you tell us about Tinubu too?
Well, Tinubu is very popular, very popular here, and well, he's standing on the campaign that he made Lagos what it is presently. You know that you can trace the development of Lagos, to his regime, because he was a one-time governor of Lagos State. And today, Lagos is
and he did 2
among
terms.
the top
2 terms, yeah, not 1 term.
Yes,
2 terms.
yes, he did. Yeah, yes, 2 terms exactly. Yes. So he's being credited by his followers as as a governor that changed the economy of Lagos and all. And today, Lagos is among the top economies in Africa. So he's priding on that. That if he can do that to Lagos, he'll be able to do that to Nigeria. But that being said, there are also other people that believe that Lagos have always been the commercial capital way before Tinubu came. So he cannot just take credit for the development. So his major campaign has been that if he can do that in Lagos, he can also replicate that in other states in Nigeria. But those that are not with him are like, no, that Lagos has been the commercial capital of Nigeria way before he came in as governor. And also, like I said, the NSAS protests, there were allegations that he was the one that masterminded the killing, that they masterminded the killing of the protesters. So those that are against him are using that, sort of a propaganda against him, that he was the one that ordered the killing of some of the protesters that lost their lives. Because if you follow the news then, the soldiers came into the scene and started shooting into the crowd, live bullets. And, a number of protesters lost their life. And it's been said that the toll gate where that protest was held, is being controlled by him. And also the allegations that even after he left office, that a huge chunk of revenue from Lagos State still goes to his account. That that he's one of the richest. As a matter of fact, there's this allegation now. If you following the trending news in Nigeria, there's shortage of cash. When I mean cash, as in paper money. There's no money on ground. Even with your money in your bank account, you cannot withdraw it because there's no paper cash. So there's this allegation that he's the one that has hijacked most of the cash that should be in circulation, because there's this thing in Nigeria, they buy votes. Politicians go with.
We are seeing photos and other footages of Nigerians queuing at the bank, some trying to even enter. Frederick, are you here? Are you here, Frederick? Can you hear me? Sorry. Frederick, can you hear me? Trying to stabilize it and then we come back. So we've been talking about the Nigerian elections and the happenings around and all that, and talking about the 3 main contenders of this election who are at the forefront. That's Tinubu, Atiku, and Peter Obi, and the dynamics that it has to play. Kwame, have you been following?
Yes, I've got what you said with the man from Nigeria. Now,
let's speak English more.
Yes. This one, you see, I say every time that I can't compare myself to you.
No, let's try. Let's try
one the English. Easy.
Baby, what picking you say Yankaya baby Sano. Send your elections. Yeah, executive type of presidents. They do federal governance or federal government. Not confine formula. Yet because only senators and nominate House of Rep near the other.
Now, Anapano Uchiano.
My many kinds so na minko fikesim. Na yingra ofurikumafi and ofurikumafi war akropon kwapem osi ade yo kwasi akufoto so abiesa kwapehene and the president for the Kwapem Traditional Council and a pay yemana awoda sunko awoda die sunko kra happy birthday to you osi ade yo this coming from Okuma Radio staff, management and our listeners. We say happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day in style and may the good Lord grant all your wishes this morning. Osi ade yo kwasi akufoto so abiesa okwapehene president for Kwapem Traditional Council, ATC, Kwapem Traditional Council. Yeah, and I pay happy birthday, Ohini, Unkwaso.
Yeah, Ohini Yinche. Say Uchia Ura Frederick, I will free a alata ya krum, and I pay, and I would tune and say, what to say, and you say, and some say Nigeria for Bakwa Bato, na emusem at say. And I also did Musem Ebu Muse Yami Adum Yania Wachna Nigeria for Ebeko a year abato ano na Usabisan say onu jina hemfa potino su ujina Abuja no so ye hemfa say waba Ghana hana okupi mu won kran na je say wo mu ekruba time pa no eno no Abisan say election no asem no te say na o se ampa ade a ebetimi atofam nti eye akitafo edema party ahodo no nyina no obia uchi obia ne car ho ebia ne mpabo na atade o hye ekire se abato bi eba be koso na obi san se party ahodo ben na ohwa wono mo ate agina na osiu tetena ne enim na APC ene eye PDP wo mo ana ewom na obi san se na I party fufuru bi amaya na osiu da no ekoto aba nti ne eye ne nti no party afufuru bi atumi ayi wo mutie dia wono mo eba ababi na ade nyina atumi akonkan ana obi sanse na afi nipa no eba be gina no so emu nsem te se no so no kwasem nipa ba be gina no ebi ne eye Peter Obi ene eye Atiku ana ye Tinubu ana obi sanse what is say Abiola ne ba ebeba no so Abiola ba ne de wo bi anim no ebi na ye family meeting bi na oba be ye ne ade na ono de ne papa be gina mu na ono de ono onya de a betumi agina mu ene saa de no okasa de wono mu a wo mu din ho apaso pa no eye Atiku ne Peter Obi ne eye Tinubu no wo mu ana wo mu hu se wo betumi aye eye ebiribi ede akọ wono manim ana o kire mu se Peter Obi no ono wo fi wo mana na afo nti no wo hwa nipa dodo no ekọ edema wono na ne tie ne se Buhari eno efi eye esoro ho no mo na ekoba se wosan ede ayamamu no sama eye Atiku bi wa na mkoye obi a ase sorofo no nyina na age ade no ede efa ana obisan se enti no wo hwa wo mbetumi adane ade na no so Igbofo no de no kwasem wo mo ye nkrofo bi a se eba se wenim ni nua de a wo mo ye ho ade papa ndi se ba sa se moto sa ba ne de a Igbofo no betumi agyinam ama ye Atiku no eye Peter Obi no watumi afam afi ne wo mu bio no se emrante no ewo na fa papa ndi ba se emrante no ebeje agyinam de a ombekọ ede amano na che se wo mo miensa no de hwemu a nipa eye Atiku Peter Obi ene eye Tinubu no ba ko amu na ahwe betumi anya ompanyin de elfire ede aba na echeche mu kra no a Obi kra no wono wonyiye wobi na youthfo no wona afa bebre no anya ade a wahye da anyini eye bebre nti nipa bebre no wo na afa no mo hwese obetumi adane wo man tiasma ye Nigeria ana mu no anu mu no wosan bizan eye Tinubu no so ne ho asem te se no Tinubu no 1990 kra no wono eba ebegina mu ma se amanfo ani gine ho ano ko be senator kra na wono so kire se yehwe enubone hu dwade de ntansa bi ede abɔ no wo ma alata ya okrom ho no mo ama je se eno kra no chitafo ni wo ma din santansa no bɔ no ntimi mfa no nkɔgyina ɛyɛ court bia menka sɛ wei ni ho ano baako anase mienu bi nti ɔno de wogyina mu a ɛwɔ no ɛkɔ na mmom adeɛ baako betumi aka de afa no ho sɛ ɛba sɛ ɛyɛ si ɛnka ne Nigeria Lagos no wɔno na wɔyɛ senator hɔ nti wɔgye Nigeria Lagos no si ne naso yɛ hɔ nom yie papapapa ma hɔ nom yɛ fɛ ɛnti no so wɔyɛ no korɛ na so saa adeɛ no wɔ ayɛ abrante a yɛte ne bu ne tim sɛ Nigeria hyɛ ne nsa sɛ ne ɔyɛ Lagos no obetumi ayɛ ne saa na mmom ɛntasa baako a yɛde bɔ ne sɛ ofi aban mu no yɛsi sika no nara yi wɔfa ne ha na ɔsɛ ɛyɛ ampa ɛma wokora woka sɛ o wohwɛ twam ɛhwɛ mfoni bi kora wɔ yɛfidie so wɔ Ghana ha yi a wotumi sɛ nipa kɔbɔ kyɛnku paa ɛwɔ beaeɛ a ɛyɛ sika ɛne adeɛ na ɔsɛ o ne nyinaa mu no ɛyɛ ampa yɛ asɛm a yɛaka ɛdeɛ tia no yɛ no kasa no obiara ntumi ɛmfa no nkɔgyina asɛmdibea ayɛ nokorɛ sɛ sika na brɔfo a wo ne kan sɛ wɔhagyake ɛma na ɛho akɔyɛ den papapa ɛno mu ɛna gyinama tuntum bi de ne ho bɛfa afidie no so a ɛyɛ ntumi na twetwe ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔ ebi wa yɛbɔ ɛho mmɔde sɛ bɛtumi de nsa aka no ne nnɛti nkɔmmɔ no
Kwame anɔpɛ bɛda ase yɛnkɔ Facebook yɛasɛbɛ ɛwɔ Amakom ahemfie ɔsɛ good morning yɛwɔ anɔpɛ yɛda ase wode abere biara wo ne ambassador ɔwɔ Kumase ɛne ne mpɔtam yɛda ase anɔpɛ yɛkyia Amakomfoɔ nyinaa ɛna ɔfɛ Maswell ɔsɛ good morning KB I'm watching and listening live across Akwapim my greetings Odoya of Kwamoso Odoya anɔpɛ Max Sochiao ɛna Kwesi Premier ɔsɛ watching you live University of Education Winneba inside Zoe publication Kwesi Premier University of Education Winneba Kwesi thank you very much Wadaroma ɛne very much time yɛgye baabia ɛwɔ hɔ Wadaroma also on patam ha na also 05516677 5502701919 wabɛtumi de text message so ɛno WhatsApp afa so aba sɛ abɔ no kono permanent aduasa mmienu aka minute ne bɛyɛ sɛ aduonu nwɔtwe na no ndo abɔ ne ɛsɔre so ama mmeranteɛ ɛde akansie mu nsɛm no Global Sports abro Kwame fa uniform na yɛnyɛ na
na nka obisa mbrɔfo na no permanent no and my priest take your English say I bet you differ okay, shall we go, please? Now, you know, because we now get some kind of brofo. Now, Nakoba says, school no, Ubian or corner, the antiquity Madaroma, Mamma can tree. Now, Nigeria Niba, or you like heavy, I brofono. Now, you could jamu. I want Nigeria near Sambagana, dear. About on the bedding created the better fee. And there are better fee, papa, Nefiano, as if you want more AFA. Now, fear by FA. And one Blessing and Greatness Ventures, one more Asway, and you could be one more. A TNJ made in Ghana quality corner mood. Come on. The judge are dying and the war on the idea. Na memu, I open plywood. Now, would the Dijuma, our site here, Oka, Ubenyabo, tile, styling, cement, tiling, chemicals, Ninano, one more be our Asway one more. I feel plenty a hodo. Ube printed down home dino to me I kama nice idea net me konkai Eddie ama dano kwame Eddie pia bontin ha no ma papa bi waje obi adwuma wo ya o papa Messi charwate de yemfa nto dan o na woni bensin kasa ya meeting akoto eye trowela wode bo adwuma kama na de net me konkai ehoro mo so betumi enya bi ade eye adwuma opese otwensuo ekọ waso epo a okọ Blessing Greatness Ventures a obenya bi ehoro ombuto manti asman abotachi akuya peme ho ana one more gas filling station asem de enka bi usase ye gas ne sign wo ma moaye 0244 50 7310 0244 50 7310 and afi 0206670009 Blessing Greatness Ventures also de bra we mo adepa amotumi atobi aja atom dia na wadaroma na yekoye ni mu a anesa ya wadaroma
Kwame na se mame ko hamai so yes, I can hear about Philomena Kalu, and also Lagos State, Western Nigeria, and a presenter and a freelance media practitioner. Yes, and also better near Koso. Good morning to you, Philomena.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Great. Currently, where is your location in Nigeria?
I'm currently at Lagos State, Nigeria.
Okay, so we are following up on the elections that is coming up tomorrow in Nigeria. You know, Ghana and Nigeria, we have a very good relationship, and whatever happens in Nigeria, sometimes the aftermath and what do you call it, effect also have some effect on us. So we want to follow up what is happening in there. We know APC, PDP, and currently other parties are all contesting. We've spoken to a brother of yours in Nigeria. He's given us the situation as it stands per the contestants, per the candidate. Now, let's look at the Nigeria election. Your system, you have a federal governance form of system that you run. Ghana, we run executive. Can you run us through how you conduct your elections?
How we conduct elections in Nigeria?
Exactly, your federal system. You have senators, you have MPs, and all that. And how is your system? Can you take us through your system?
Hello?
Hello, Flemina, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please can you repeat your question, sorry?
Okay, so we are looking at, we've already spoken to a Nigerian reporter who's giving us the situation on the ground, the atmosphere, the candidate, their background, and what they are likely to come up with in terms of their numbers. But we are looking at the Nigerian system, the type of governance you run. You run the federal system of governance, where you have senators and governors and all that. But in Ghana, we run the executive type of presidents, where we have MPs and the executive president. So can you tell us how your system, your governance system, your political system is?
Okay, in Nigeria election, we have representatives to the federal government of Nigeria. You run that too. Then you run the senatorial election. You run the local government chairman and down to the gubernatorial election in Nigeria. So that's how Nigerian election is being run down here.
So in this regard, you are having the same. When you say the senator, what does the senator do? And the governor, can you take us through the senators, the governor, the upper? Can you take us through that one too?
What the senatorial candidates do?
Yes. When you say the senator, every state needs to have a senate and a governor. Who is a governor and who is a senator?
Okay, a governor is someone that has to do with the state. You know, we have 36 states in Nigeria.
How many states?
We have 36 states.
Okay. The Delta State, the Kogi State, Lagos State, and so you have 36 of them.
Yes, the 36 states of them. Each of the states has a governor that governs the state that has to do with the affairs of everything going on in the state.
So if I may ask, every state is sort of independent, autonomous. They have their own budget, their own project, and is that what it means?
Yes, exactly. They have their own, the federal government, that's the high one, like the presidency, will allocate them amount of money that will be used to run the affairs of the state.
So if I may ask, all the resources of Nigeria is put into a pool, which is being controlled by the central government, and the state will present its budget and its project, and then once approved, resources will be made available to them by the central government.
Please, can you repeat what you're saying? I didn't hear you.
What I'm asking is it to say that the central government control all the resources of the state, of the country, and every state will present its own budget in terms of project intends to embark on, and the central government releases the funding? How do they get the funding?
Exactly. You know, in each state, you know, you have a revenue where you bring money from, where you gather money from, like the taxes and a lot of things that brings money to the government.
Let's say, for instance, the Delta State has the oil. So the oil proceeds go to the central government, who then disburses to other states, or the Delta State has control over its own money in terms of the oil sale.
When it comes to oil, the Delta State, they don't really have full control of it because the federal government is taking charge of it, you know. But they also have a share from the oil because it's in their state, you know. So they have this particular amount of money that is being given to them from the oil sector.
So it means every state, whatever resources you are endowed with, a greater percentage goes to the central government and a certain portion comes to you to support your project. Is that what it means?
Exactly.
So you have 36 governors. The governors, what group do they fall in? For instance, the governors might have a certain parliament or something. So all the 36 Senate or senators, where do they meet? The governors, I should say, the governors, where do they meet?
All of them meet at the federal government house. Like they have a federal government house where they all meet to, talk about the senatorial house. The thing is, in every house that they are meeting, the governor is meant to be at the meeting if need be for him to be there.
So we come down to the senators. So every state has got its own senators. Is that what it means?
Exactly. Each state has a senator that will represent them at the higher level, whereas the federal government. Each state has a senator that will represent them at the federal high court, like federal house representatives. Yes.
How many senators has every state has? Every state has how many senators?
Each state we have the east, north, south. So each of those east will have a senator. The north will have a senator. The west will have a senator that will represent them.
So how many senators is Nigeria having?
Nigeria has, let's say they have 109 senators. Like 36 states are each divided into 3 senatorial districts. Each electing one senator using the first past the post electoral system. Like each state has like 3 senators representing them.
So each of the 36 states has 3 senators.
3 senators, yes. They have 3 senatorial districts. Like I said, from the east, west, north, you have to bring each from each to represent them at the federal capital territory.
So in that regard, we should be expecting 108 senators in all.
Like from 108 to 109 senators, yes.
Okay, so they have the Senate, the Nigerian Senate. They belong to the Nigerian Senate. You have a certain how many? I don't know. I'm getting a little confused here. The senators, they meet at the Senate. You have a certain upper chamber, lower. Do you have that system?
The upper chamber, the lower chamber. Yes, we have it.
Anyway, your system is so interesting. We need to learn more about it. And ours, as I told you, we are having the executive, the president, and the MPs. And we are good to go. But yours is quite a little complex, and we want to learn more. So thank you very much this morning. But before we let you go, in your own assessment, the candidate, who are you anticipating will pull a surprise of a sort after tomorrow's elections?
Right now, it's not like I'm actually endorsing anybody, but when you look at the 3, and right now we have like 18 candidates that are contesting, but out of these 18, we only have the 3 that are really upfront, And out of the 3, when you look at them, their lifestyle, the health, everything about them, you just realize that there's only one out of these 3 that is capable of ruling the Nigeria because of the situation of Nigeria right now. Nigeria we really need a very strong person that will help us because the country is really in a mess right now. So I'm really supporting the Labour Party. Peter Obi.
So you think Peter Obi will be able to restore Nigeria to its glory? Is that what you mean?
I'm not really certain that he's going to restore because Nigeria has a lot of work to do in it. So anybody that is coming to rule Nigeria right now has a lot of work to do, and it's certainly going to take a lot of time. We won't expect him to do that doing magic all of a sudden, but we are sure going to give him some time because the country is, like I said before, the country is really in a mess, and he really needs time. If he should win, we really need to be patient with him to, set things in order.
But looking at the heavyweight that he's contesting with, let's take someone like Atiku, who has been two-term vice president to President Olusegun Obasanjo. It is believed he did he brought in certain fresh ideas, certain innovations that really propelled growth in terms of the economic growth of Nigeria. What makes you think Peter Obi could still pass him in this election?
Me, growing up as a child, it has always been PDP and APC, and I've really not seen any difference in things are really getting worse, things are really getting worse. So I really think we should give another party a chance. Let's see what they can do. Let's see what they can bring to the table. It has always been PDP, APC all along, and we are still getting the same results. We don't have steady lights in Nigeria. Electricity is zero. It's very poor. The masses are really suffering. The exchange rate, a whole lot of damages has been made in the country. So, and it's still in the terms of the APC and the PDP. We really want to give a new party. They said Labour Party doesn't really have a structure. They don't have any senatorial candidates that is, representing them, and which is true. But we as a youth, we as a nation, we have really agreed to, bring up this Labour Party. We want to be the structure of this party. Let's see what they can bring to the table, because we are really tired of PDP and APC. They are not giving, they are making balloon promises. They give up promises, and at the end of the day, it's an opposite of what they say during their campaign. So we really want to give a trial to another party at this point.
So looking at the situation, I think Nigerians appear to be sick and tired of the two main political parties, APC and PDP.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
And looking at the youth of Nigeria, I think as growing up, these are the two parties they've known. So it looks like they want to have a change and dynamic change, paradigm shift to see what could come out of it. And I think Peter Obi, in this regard, people are also talking about the tribal card. Over the years, the South, which is the Igbos, have not had a chance over 5 decades to rule. It has been the North, the Yoruba, and the Houses and all that. And people think there's about the time the Southerners roll behind their brother to grab power. Do you share that concern as well?
Well, the truth about the tribalism thing is, I'm not tribalistic, I just want someone who is capable of ruling the country. I don't care if you're from the north. I don't care if you're from the southeast. I don't care if you're from the west. Once you are ready to give in, once you are ready to take the country to a better level, I'm voting for you. I don't care even if you are my own father and you don't have anything to bring to the table, I'm sure not supporting you. Okay, I'm not a tribalistic person, but a lot of people are thinking that this election is about tribalism. But to me, no. I'm looking at the 3 candidates that are up front. The one capable is the one I'm going for. Health-wise, looking at his what do I call it? His record as a former governor of Anambra State, he really did well. Some people are saying he didn't do well, but the truth is, as a governor, you also need your lower chambers to work with. But I believe that those ones, it was their fault that they didn't really deliver. But as a governor, he really did well. He had 0 bad, record about his governance, and he really did well. So I'm really willing to give him a chance. It's not about tribalism, but I feel he is the one that is fit and suitable for this right now.
Which is Peter Obi.
Yes, sir.
So let me put you on the spot. Who are you rooting for?
I said it before. I'm rooting for Peter Obi.
Anyway, on the ground, having spoken to some friends, and I'm told a lot of cars have stickers, and the youth are really actively participating in social media campaign and all that. That's it to say most Nigerian youth, as you said, are sick and tired, and this time you should expect a certain Peter Obi emerging. Can you call?
Can I call what?
You call this election that you think Peter Obi, looking at the ground, the youth, Nigerian teaming youth who are really going through so much and all that, sick and tired, and having done a lot of consultations, talking to people with social media, buzzing and all that, and stickers or cards having stickers and the youth. Does it look like it's a done deal for Peter Obi? That's what I mean.
Does it look like it's a time for him?
A done deal.
Like, does it look like he's going to win?
Exactly.
Okay, it's really going to be a tough one. You know, it's certainly going to be a tough one because he has not been on the system. You know, coming from governorship straight to presidential is really going to be a tough one. And couple that his party doesn't really have a strong structure in the country. You know, they don't really have backup like governors backing him up. You know, it's really a difficult thing. But the truth is, we, the youth, we want to be his structure. You know, they will say that our vote doesn't count, but we want to make it count. You know, we really want to be the structure. We really want this change. We need this change to happen. You know, a lot of people have left this country. People are still struggling to leave the country, you know, because things are bad. If you leave, I tell you, see that a lot of Nigerians are in Ghana. You know, it's because of bad governance, bad leadership. I think we have a good leadership in this country, a lot of people won't be struggling to leave the country. So we youth that doesn't stand a chance of leaving or don't really have what it takes to leave the country, we are here to make this change. We are here to be the structure of Labour Party because we believe so much that it has a lot of things to offer. So yes, I believe he has a chance of winning.
Philomena, I want to say a very big thank you for your time.
All right, sir. Thank you.
We appreciate your time. Philomena Kalu is a freelance presenter, media practitioner in Nigeria who just gave us her views. And Ginger Oke Uma, currently as I speak, Oko Nigeria, link no ato amane Ginger Oke Uma sends this one. It says we have 108 senators representing the 36 states. That's the 3 from each of the states, plus 1 senator representing the Federal Capital Territory, making a total of 109 senators. And that's what it is in Nigeria. We are trying to get Ginger Oke Uma to also bring his assessment of the situation. Kwame?
Aja anopa nso wabo homode na we dia wan kasa men kamprofo nti we dia me dem dia ma na anopa yi Nigeria na nam esanse ade chi a ombeto aba ye ne yewura fede adi nkomo ana fe Philomena nso anopa sisia na yewura ene ne di nkomo wiye oba ahoma no so na yewura ade brofo poto kasa yi ade chi ano ena no so woje so na yewura bisa ne se ye de ne executive omso mo de ne federal system on chechire mu no so when anya bone federal system ne say won beto aba to yi president ni wi a afi won be local chairman san no muka no won be sem panyifo a bidi di ho no ade no na che say senator bebem na governor so atumi abem na yewura bisa ne say na dawroma PTC ni de sia PCE na so nyanya kwanko nti won chechire mu no so so wo be governor no a je say wo na bibibia no enam wo so ene ade ansa na senator no atumi aba na yewura bisa ne say na governors no ne ade no ombe makoma he no so ono wo de nani hwemu a ombe se aduasa no ensia aduasa no ensia no bisa se kwan be so no mufa ana omu yi no so sene ye wo esoro ase apuye ene atoye no obia de nipa makoma no ebeba na atumi abomu sa enti makoma no ye de bom ne nya 36 na ne de aka senators no na amaye oha ene enkron ana yewura esan bisa ne se na sika so ba se mfefa se Delta State ya womo ehonum na fanwo fiba ne ade no so ane ehonum na hona fanwo fiba na mo fanwo na ba sika no mbenya ne nyina no ekọ aban che na aban no atumi ahwe na watumi ache na womo so womatumi anya wonom ede ana yewura bisa ne se abato ya ba so wo hu se ku fufuro bi ba na no say enye den ada ebetumi asi sa esane say nipadom a ba beto abai esabre no obia de ne party aba party no du enkro mu nipa makoma miensa na onye wo hwa wo mu nipa edi echi papa edi o mu echi eno bi san say nipa miensa no omu ni an pa na wo hwa amanfo be kwa no so yenwura Peter Obi wono no no kwasem emrante ne maba wonyina eta na chesan se wono no sebe asembone musuo asembia no enhyeda eni ne ho ana yenwura bi san se na wogidi se yenwura Obi betumi adi nkono so wono wo ya abofra no kura wonyi eba no nyina no party mienu pe enye APC a PDP na oman no atetia pro apansam se kontebe enti wo mu nyina do mo wire no de ahye yenwura Peter Obi mu sene ebe ya obetumi adi nkunum adi amom ana yenwura bi san se na wo hwemu a hodom sene ye hadom so ye won vi anwonafo ye won kranfo ye wade na so wono de saa tribalism fia no wono wonji ndi omdom show obi a obetumi ahwe na wo man no atumi afa ne ntama pafra ayaresa bia enkoyi enkania enhyeda enya na aso omdom show obi a obetumi aba na besiesi wo man no kama ede ama wono mo ana yenwura ebisa ne se na ohwe Peter Obi na ho ode oba mu nche no so ani wo mo kira emaburu no wo mabato enkan kra na mo ombobo ni chidom emaburu bebo ni chidom ama ne betumi asibia na atimi ate afam na gise yenwura Obi no atumi adi emu enkunum na yenwura bisa ne se na wankasa wogina hai emprempren ka se fanse si ubo na kire Obi a obedi nkunum no so Peter Obi se makacha odada se Peter Obi ana yenwura bisa bisa no se no kwasem Peter Obi de obetumi adi nkunum mu enye bayira abrewa bedwo emu baye den pop ade ama Peter Obi na mom ye nyina ye de yure de hye ne mu se Peter Obi de se ne tibia no obetumi adi emu nkunum na oman Tasma Nigeria tumi afa ntama pa efra no kwasem a omu se omu nyina to aba ma Peter Obi se wo hwa Nigeria fo bebre egu Ghana hanom nipa bebre fi oman anim kɔ weya mekɔ Australia weya mekɔ Canada weya mekɔ Takoradi weya mekɔ hanom enti sane mani nyina ya ade a omu dadwene ho a omu tumi ti ase pese omu hwe na sane mani nyina tumi eboba na fe enwuma ne nkabom ne odon nyina tumi ba na oman Nigeria fa ntama pa edi efra na miwura ka kire ne se wono hwa abaton betumi akoso so and Peter Obi na no mo bompa ye de man so betumi abam na yenwura ejina yenyina namu eda anase se womano amo ene ensem anope wotumi di fi Nigeria ede abre na kakra yenwura ene Philomena Kalu a ono journalist ya tse ye yo ha onso Nigeria di mu enkyeremu ede boye ena nkomo no eba ewiyesa
kwamra ko ebeda ase akamni tini be semiensa na nondo abo yeguso Ofia Nigerian elections in terms of Bekoy Kakra. And about adjustment groups of companies, Sophia Kudoji wins Global Woman Leader Award for the third time. You better try and say Sabe Kana and anybody in Como. But we hear Adiana the Coca, NDC at the Coca, Kane no chairman or Greater Accra. And I can say Mama deserves acclamation from NDC delegate. Can you some call to Abacos is Ka? Kazomina a Bogeneso. Nanka wotimi ko na political lecture ba kon so ka say any year Dr. Dufo hwe ne pay woni mu bro be finance minister ne mo ye governor ene ne ma waye business ahodo wa bi ni ade a anka onya kwanya anka be bo an bro hwe se ne emu odin ye na any year say was am pained he will not win say any year say da bia an onya kwanya na omesum enti this are some of the headlines are eba ene and ya fiase wa ha ye ho adwuma no ye ekwapim twikin kan me ne ade no afi ne Ghana for do mani ache say Ghanaians urge to prioritize their mother languages
ya sha say da no
enti okoma bibi ani wani yes Ghanaians advice afi da ye maame ye mother tongue ne fa
ye maame kasa no ye jano kasa no
okre enti o yeti o say on team no si enti o kete no si ho
ebe baare ya o so ba ekura wati bi trumpet
me baale na mi adanfo ne
mi adanfo
ne kwa mi
wo ne mbe
misi
mi
nye de na ayemo febio ale pe ba me cha be na fo wo krema mo me dro ayi a o de say Brewer, Honorable Wuku, on the assembly member, Honorable Memoach. You know how we do it. And CCFI and also a war, a brew, and Auntie Rose Apo, Rosina Apo. A very good morning to you all. Me do Kromsa, Adekofi, Adekofi, and bright job, Bibine. A 4 pimpy, and a 4 pimpy, and Nikunu, so Honya and Crawford, Bracofi, in no Quachua Hotel. Umina and Crawford.
I want
Quabe, you have a carbon for you.
Yeah, Mamma Papa.
Yako, I used to Ginger Uma, in watching a digital marketing entrepreneur in Nigeria, and also with Lagos, Lagosian. Good morning to you, my brother Obi Ginger.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, my brother?
I'm fine. Thank you so much.
Okay.
How are you too?
We are very fine in Ghana. You know, Ghana and Nigeria, we are brothers. So whatever is happening in Nigeria, we have so much interest. We want to follow up on what is happening in there. We anticipate at the end of the day, there should be a peaceful run of the election and Nigeria comes out victorious in this regard. So we wish you guys well. That's number one.
Thank you so much.
Number two, Ginger, you have been following the show and we're talking to some of your brothers and sisters in Nigeria. Look at the situation in Nigeria. What is your expectation in terms of the elections coming up tomorrow?
Okay. First off, I want to appreciate you. I want to appreciate everyone for bringing me on this platform. I'm very grateful just to air my opinion and my perspective about Nigerian polity and Nigerian politics with regards to the general election, starting with the presidential tomorrow. Okay, we have been in a very deep mess in Nigeria because of bad leadership. And corruption has really eaten deep into the fabrics of the society. And a lot of things are not working. For instance, the power sector has never functioned. And all of these things has really given us deep concern in Nigeria. Lately, the last administration has not really given us opportunity to reap the dividends of democracy. And it has gotten so worse that Nigeria, an oil-producing country, cannot have access to petroleum products. So a lot of things are happening and Nigerians are not happy. And recently, a campaign was raised to ensure that people make use of their voters' cards and do the needful. And looking at the political system, looking at the situation on ground, we've had a test of People's Democratic Party, and we have had a test of APC. And now we have an emerging party, political party, Labour Party. And people are expecting that Labour Party has something better to offer Nigeria, according to the manifesto of the flag bearership under the leadership of His Excellency Peter Obi. So it is generic. The love is so pure that the masses volunteer themselves to work so hard to ensure that victory is for Labour Party. So the indications to prove that, okay, we are looking at Peter Obi emerging as the winner is the places he has gone to, apart from his political manifesto, the places he has visited, the ovation, the reception, the love people display, and it's for the masses. And he's the only one that has said what the masses want to hear, because we are looking at making Nigeria a productive nation, not just a consumption nation. Okay? So that's what the people want to hear. They want to hear things that will bring about the betterment of the people, like the issue of insecurity, the issue of power sector, and the issue of unemployment and the health. So he is addressing some of those things, telling us his plans to get some of those problems solved. So that's why a lot of people are queuing behind him. And then looking at his personality, yes, he's not a saint, but he has a track record which is quite distinct from a regular Nigerian politician. Okay, we have people who got away with public funds, misappropriation of public funds, money laundering, and all what have you, ownership of structures outside Nigeria. But in his own case, he didn't do any of those things. from the information they put out, but rather he invested public funds to ensure that upcoming generation will have a better life than what we have today. So he embarked on investment, he embarked on savings, and he embarked on infrastructural development. I recall then in his states, because for me to access my states, we usually pass through his states. It's more like the gateway. There's this popular bridge, Niger Bridge. So when we get there, we usually get stuck, hold up. We spend hours. During his administration, he expanded the motorway to about 6 to 8 lanes, which ensured free movement through the states and other development, especially in the area of education. Anambra State used to be, when he was governor, used to be backward when it comes to education, but he was able to, to make Anambra become one of the best in education. So some of these things are indications and what people have looked at. They have considered the personality, they have considered the age, they have considered the intelligence, they have considered what he has done within the period he served as a governor of the state for 8 years. And they have also considered the roadmap into the future. And a lot of people say, okay, he's the one saying what we want to hear. Let's keep behind him. So and we all are highly expectant that tomorrow, as the president is making efforts to ensure that there's going to be free and fair elections. So if that happens in Nigeria, then we are really hopeful that His Excellency Peter Obi is going to emerge the winner of Nigerian presidential election.
So among the contestants, the candidates, I could see most of the Nigerian youth rooting for Peter Obi. I've spoken to other Nigerians who are telling me the youth are sort of sick and tired with the APC and the PDP, and they want to try another third force. And for that matter, they're looking at Peter Obi, as you said, what he has achieved as a senator in the past, and as a governor in the past, and then also looking at his age and as I said, very accessible and other things he achieved. Are you also rooting for Peter Obi as a youth of Nigeria?
Yes, I am. I'm supporting Peter Obi, not on the basis of tribalism. Yeah, he's from my tribe. I'm an Igbo guy, but not on the basis of tribalism. As a matter of fact, we Igbos go for somebody that can deliver. Okay, so if you are our person, you are corrupt, we tell you to your face, and we. That's what's remarkable about the Igbos. But this time around, we are going for him not on tribal lines, but because we have seen him deliver dividends of democracy, and he is also telling us how and what we want to hear concerning the challenges Nigeria is facing today. And that's why people are subscribing to him.
Okay. So looking at the situation in Nigeria, how is the atmosphere like? Where you find yourself? Where are you located? Are you located in Lagos?
Yes, I'm in Lagos.
What is the situation like with you? Which suburb of Lagos are you?
I'm currently staying in Yaba, area of Lagos.
Yaba?
Yes.
So what is the situation like in Yaba this morning?
Everywhere is calm, everywhere is peaceful, and we are all hopeful that tomorrow election is going to be peaceful also. And as a matter of fact, to ensure a very peaceful and free election, the president deployed soldiers in good numbers to various locations, states in Lagos, in Nigeria, Lagos inclusive. So we have heavy military presence in Lagos to ensure that there will be no unscrupulous activities by hoodlums and people who don't really mean well or who have ulterior motives.
Anyway, so by the close of the day tomorrow, looking at Atiku, Tinubu, these are very heavy weights, and you anticipate by the close of polls tomorrow, Peter Obi should be emerging victorious?
Yes, from how much effort he has put in place and how generic his supporters are, As a matter of fact, people are flying in from abroad to ensure that they cast their votes to support him and the movement. And as well, a lot of people volunteered, making donations. In fact, he's making use of private jets donated by somebody, offices, vehicles. Before his arrival to any location he wants to visit, there are entourage ready for him to pick him to wherever he wants to go. And a lot of political elites in Nigeria, for instance, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, who I now consider as a modern day nationalist, has given endorsements for P2B. Okay, and a lot of
he's
other
supposed to be.
elites
Papa Obasanjo is supposed to be with PDP.
Yeah, he's a PDP member. He served Nigeria under PDP. So, but as it is, we are voting individuals, no longer party. On the national level, we are voting individuals with credibility, not party lines, because we need somebody that will rescue Nigeria from destruction.
You see, Ginger, I am seeing a poster of Tonto Dike, who is also rooting her support and declaring her support for Peter Obi. Have you seen that one too?
Yes, the entire Nollywood is for Peter Obi. Okay, they had a session with him, and all of them came out to say they are supporting him. You know, the opposition, they mocked him that he's just an actor. Okay. And we all know Nigerian Nollywood is a noble profession, and they've made us proud, not just Nigeria, but Africa. So on that basis, they now had a dinner with him, invited him, and, you know, he came out to say that, okay, fine, yeah, he believes he's an actor, there's nothing wrong with that. So they came and rallied around him, and what is going on in Nigeria has never had this type in recent times, in decades. You know, somebody coming from nowhere, from a third force, from a party that doesn't really have what they call structure. And then all of a sudden, the masses, the young people are throwing weight behind him, volunteering to do a lot of things nationwide. So wherever he goes, in fact, the northern parts where we have the issues of insecurity, and he has visited all those places. You know, Boko Haram menace in the north is evident in Borno State, and he has visited Borno State. Even when he wanted to go, his security agent said, let's not go. He said no, and he just talked to the pilot who happens to take him there. He landed, and the people were happy, and it was a message of hope. Okay, nobody has actually visited them ever since. So they have that hope about this new Nigeria that everybody is pushing for.
I get it. So the acting fraternity are solidly behind their brother or behind one of their own, and we are picking feed that because it's a southerner from Igbo. For that matter, all the southerners are likely to give him their support, and there's someone like Tinubu, for instance. And Atiku, for instance, has a certain base in the south. Now that Obi is coming from the south and an Igbo and over 50 years having not tasted the premier, is likely to scatter the chances of Atiku in the south. Because Atiku personally is coming from the north. How do you see that one too?
Okay, so if everything should go normal under peaceful condition and there is no rigging, and people available are allowed to cast their votes to whoever they want to, no buying of votes. By my own analysis, I am expecting block votes from Southeast. Nigeria is divided into 6 geopolitical zones. We have Southeast, South-South, Southwest, Northeast, North Central, and Northwest. So each of those regions are made up of 6 states. Okay, then Southeast is just 5 states. So Southeast is where you have the Igbo tribe. South, you have partial Igbo tribe and then other tribes. Southwest is the Yoruba tribe. Then North is Fulani. So by my own analysis, I am expecting a block vote from Southeast because the Igbos are solidly behind, despite some Igbo political allies are trying to sabotage the effort. Then South too, we're talking about River State, you're talking about Cross River State, you're talking about Akwa Ibom State. Last year I was in Akwa Ibom State, I was in that's Calabar. I was in the capital of Cross River State, and I had interaction with some youths. They said they are obedient. And then the wife of His Excellency P2B is from Akwa Ibom. So she has been doing wonderfully well to sensitize her people to ensure that they are for him. Then Edo State has demonstrated within this period lately that they are for Obi, and he has visited Edo State, some parts of Edo, Bini, and all that, and they have been chanting his praise. And then Southwest, I believe Southwest is going to be shared because a couple of people are obedient. I mean, they call Yoruba states. Then when it comes to Lagos State, there are a lot of young people who are obedient, massively chanting support for President P2B. So if I still want to go by the facts, your question came from a tribal line, so I'm answering in that direction. Okay? So the vote is going to be shared in the sense that we have a lot of young people in Lagos State, and they understand the polity and they know what they want, and they are enlightened, and they are drumming support for P2B in Lagos State. So that's why I believe the vote will be shared if the masses are allowed to decide who they really want, and there is no electoral malpractices. Then as for North, Middle Belt is perceived to be obedient to a great extent. Then for Northeast, Northwest, we have the presidential candidate who is a strong force also in the North, the person of Kwankwaso. Then we have PDP. And then we'll have other states who are APC faithfuls. So they may or may not be able to get block votes. And in all of these places, like Kaduna State, you have a whole number of people who are Christians. Okay? Now, APC is not having a good chance because they have Muslim tickets, which is a hell no. And people are asking, do you mean in APC you don't have a Christian capable candidate to deputize the flag bearer? So that alone has sidelined the Christian body. So if they want to play religion, as a matter of fact, which pastors are making efforts to ensure that they get their members to vote P2B.
So P2B being a Christian and
so at the end,
please go ahead.
So at the end, by the time we mop up all these votes gathered and added to the votes from the South, then I believe P2B is going to have upper hand. We have already conducted opinion polls, online opinion polls.
I know you are a digital marketer, and I wanted to find out what your findings are. Tell us.
Yes, there has been series of opinion polls conducted at different intervals, and he has emerged the leading candidates on those online opinion polls. Hence, why they are saying his supporters are only online, not physically. Okay.
Looking at your background as a digital marketer, how well can this digital support base be transferred to become physical and real voters? What are the chances?
Okay, so Nigeria has suffered political apathy. The reason is this: we have always had this mindset that they have the right or the opportunity or the power to decide who goes in there. Our votes don't count. So through digital means, through online campaigns and sensitization programs, people were enlightened to, because the question I always ask people who put up arguments that my votes will not count, forget about it. And I ask a simple question. If your votes do not count, why do they buy your votes? Have you asked yourself that question? Now, for them to do any electoral malpractices, they really need high level of generic votes from people in order to manipulate the figure. because you can't just fabricate figures without some form of evidence to prove that this is actually what it is. Okay, so that's why they put in efforts. If that is the case, they shouldn't have been doing campaigns. They shouldn't have been investing money in doing roadside adverts, billboards, then paying people to do sponsored ads, and then doing a lot of campaign, going to states to talk to people. They wouldn't have done all of that. They would have just sit in the comfort of their homes and then pay money to INEC officials and then get their votes. But they have to be a proper election to a great extent before they can manipulate the results to their own favor. And there is a way the result will be, evidence of the results will be, it will no longer be easy for them to manipulate. So with that sensitization online, people drumming support for a particular a particular party, a particular individual, it's awoken the consciousness of Nigerians, and they trooped out in their numbers to acquire their PVC, which is an instrument to exercise their civil rights. So when that happened, they now registered. For instance, previously I didn't have voters cards. Reason was when the registration, I was part of the people that were registering people, so that was not my location. So I didn't have opportunity to actually do the registration. And when I returned to Lagos, I tried to register in various locations. Lagos has population, so the crowd didn't allow me to have opportunity to register until when the process became easier. And with the way things were going, and with the fact that I really needed to exercise my civic rights, having seen somebody I feel that can bring relief and to an extent support and rescue to Nigeria, I just have to go get it. And it wasn't difficult for me. I registered, and after a while, when it was out, I picked up my card. So I have my card. Tomorrow I'm going to vote for P2B.
I want to say a very big thank you for your time. I think you've already given us a lot of education on your system. I think you came in with a test message trying to help us with the number of senators you have, as in 108, with one coming from FCT, making 109. Yeah, thank you very much, my brother Ginger. We'll be coming back to you tomorrow to follow up on what the latest happenings will be. And sometime Monday, we should be knowing who emerges the winner of Nigeria's election. Thank you very much, Ginger.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
So, Ginger Uma Ngochin is the one we just spoke to. Kwame, we just spoke to Ginger Uma Ngochin, who's a digital marketing entrepreneur in Lagos. Apparently, it appears everybody in Nigeria is an entrepreneur.
My Lord, Mekatri.
Please go ahead.
My Lord, Mekatri. Yeah. It's therefore, Yewura Kebi and Ugusua, Ochana, about to know a becoso Nigeria and a befagana phone papa. Enti now say, the Tuatua Homa and producers at Aroma, Tuatua Homana and Sakamwa, Netosumi and Sakan and Nano pay Ginger Obi. Or no, and you ran in a chicken como. You were born a toffer, and didn't let me a conkind. Obe na you were chiano and or jeso, and or children and so. Edema, your common radio say, what should be na your friend say, or so, say, one fan, na drink today, and family. Will you be so about home day? Eba say, ye di grand crankra, or so, na dear. No question, or shall say, what can say? No question, what chana battle no, if it to me, akoso. Nemo you be a which me do a man and you come now, minor, if you find in time of pay for it and say, or man, I can't say, or man, I hear more. See, or man be a quan hear more. We Nigeria, a few more, and ye crack. What I say, and can you some in your marketing? So, your Maya woman to white woman, dear, now she, if you be a bit of crowd, be crana, acquire near my be na money intimate. Crack. Now, you will be someone said, now more before be a bayo, no you. PDP ne APC in the Oma Bro Munemum, Omanya, party for Frokra, a Labour Party, nona, Abba, and then will be added as son and Tama, a couple of Modianoa, Yura, a Peter will be, and Wada Wamanoa, Yamiya Dumoa, or Chanano, sacrifice for between me, Abba. Nigeria woman about to me. Son say, Nigeria man da honoa. Near man koye unemployment. Ayare sane man nyina and chedam koye crack. You will be there. Why ye be pen into your ejina champion between me out. As I say, one no kura wo free wofa hɔ no na wakɔ yɛwura obi ɛyɛ na kura hɔ no na wohwɛ bere bi na twene bi a ɛda hɔ no na twene no ɛnkɔ yie kura so yɛwura yi timi bae ɛbɛbɛyɛ twene yi ɛyie papa na afei sukuu bi nso a na ɛwɔ Ambra State no saa sukuu no na atete sɛ kontebe nanso yɛwura ɛbaa bɛgyina mu ama sukuu yi wɔsiesie ne kama dankora yi ɛpagya mu afi nsia ade kɔnwɔtwe ɛma ne yɛ kama ɛma nnɛ no wohwɛ a obiara ni agye ne ho sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ sɛ wɔayɛ twene na watumi aboa ama lord kwan a ɛwɔ hɔ nom no ɛtumi akɔ n'anim ama ɛyɛ kama yɛde hyɛ ne sɛ wobɛtumi ayɔ na se wɔn mu gyina so ɛhwɛ ne nipa ban a ɔyɛ ne mfie a wadi ana afei nneɛma nketewa bi a wayɛ etumi de aboa ɛyɛ ɔno ankasa ne mpɔtam ne Nigeria man no etumi agye no adi na otumi aboa na otumi abedi mampanyini no na de nyina etumi akɔnkan ɛde ama ano na wɔsi anya no wanwase yɛwura obi betumi adi ɛyɛ enkonim ana yɛwura bi sa ne sɛ yɛhwɛ a asɛm Nigeria fo no mo traba no yɛm de na ɔsi o dabi ɛwɔ mu sɛ wofi baabi a meme wɔ deɛ na mmom yɛyɛ pɛ obi obetumi adi yɛnim na de nyina atumi akɔ ɛyɛ enkan ana yɛwura bi sa ne sɛ sia ya me ne okasa yi o wɔ hefa na ɔsi o me wɔ yaba ana yɛwura se yaba no sɛ na ɛhɔ te sɛ na ɔsi o ɛhɔ dwo ɛwɔ fam ɛnkane koko nku bi yɛfɛ no koko nkuto ɔsɛ wɔayɛ fam a ɔhaw bi a ni wɔnom obi aboa na hwɛ ne ho yɛ na ɔkyɛ tumi akɔto aba na ewura bi san sɛ ɛdɛn paa na wɔhwɛ nkan na ɔsɛ o wɔn deɛ wɔhwɛ sɛ anka sogyafoɔ ne adeɛ yɛdi dodoɔ no abɛbɛ kurom sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ ɔyɛ ne bi nkɔyi ne ti adi ne basabasa yɛ saa no ana ewura bi san sɛ na yɛwɔ Atiku yɛwɔ Tinubu ansa na yɛ na ɔsɛ o na nneɛma nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ yɛwura obi Peter Obi no obetumi de kure sɛ ankorankora bi de ne plane na yɛka ne private jet no ɛde ama ne sɛ mfa mmɔntoa na baabi a ɔbɛbɔ ntoa bi a plane no bɛsi bia no ɛnsɛmbɔ nipa no bɔ nsɛm to gye ne soa na ɛno koraa ɛna mu koraa ma yɛwura ɛyɛ Obasanjo ɛkoraa nso ɛde ne ho abɛdɔm ne sɛ Karachi bɛtumi adi aboa ana yɛwura bi sɛ sɛ yɛwura Obasanjo nyɛ ne party no na ɔsɛ ane yɛwura Obasanjo nyɛ ne party no na mo sɛ sia no yɛpɛ obi obɛtumi agye Nigeria adi agyina ɛyɛ kyerempɔn ano ana yɛwura bi sɛ tonto DK a wɔno koraa yɛ Nigeria actor yi wɔno koraa hu sɛ waba abɛta papa yɛ akyi na ɔsɛ ane Nigeria fo yi sini ni nyina da wɔn nyinara ababɛ ta yɛwura yi akyi ama koraa no wɔn ayɛ ɛyɛ dina ama wɔahyia wɔn de nanum nsɛm ɛde ato wɔn mu anim nti wɔn kasa de Nigeria fo wɔn yi sini ni nyinaa no Mr. Ebi mu nyinaa hwɛ a wɔn nyinaa de wɔn no nyama bɛta papa yi Peter Obi akyi ana yɛwura ebi sɛ na wɔn gyina sɛ ɛbɛtumi akɔ yi sɛ ɔkyena no sɛbi abatoɔ no emu enwiamu bia region no amamu dia ɔno no yɛwura opito betumi edi nkunu esan sɛ Nigeria da hɔ saa no yɛakyɛ mako nsia o te ase atifi anafoɔ ɛna ɛyɛ anafoɔ ɛna atifi apuye ɛna fe ɛyɛ anafoɔ apuye ɛna ɛde akyekyɛ mu saa na ɛba saa no deɛ a okɔ anafoɔ na wobɛnya kalabafoɔ no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna osamba atifi anafoɔ hɔ no mu a anafoɔ apuye hɔ no mu a ɛyɛ yɛwura ɛyɛ obi ne yere efi ɛyɛ akwambira state no ɔno nso fi hɔ no mu sɛ ɛhɔ yɛ anafoɔ ɛde ba atifi hɔ no mu no nti ɔno yɛka bɔ mu a obɛtumi aboa pɔpɔpɔpɔpɔpɔ ɛna yɛka kɔ ɛyɛ Ebo state na ɛhɔ mmeranteɛ wɔ hɔ mmeranteɛ no ma ba wɔ hɔ na ɛhɔ no mu no deɛ ɛbɛtumi ayɛ yɛn nkyɛn fa obi abɛtumi afa bi na sɛ yɛtumi akɔ yɛnim na Lagos state nso ɛsan sɛ ɛyɛ ɛhɔ no nipa bɔ pe so wɔ hɔ nti no dɔm na de mu akyitaa na akɔkɔma ɛyɛ yɛwura ɛyɛ wobi ɛna yɛwura bi sa ne sɛ na sa wo na nkasa koraa no na woyɛ online na ɔsɛ online ma yɛ online push ni bi puru no ma yɛ bi papa na nea yɛ nyinaa no kyerɛ sɛ yɛwura obi ɛna ɛyɛ wodi nkane ɛna manfo no bebree ne ɛka sɛ daa bi aba no yɛnto no online na mmerante no koraa kyerɛ mu sɛ yɛn koraa yɛbato wɔn nkan yɛmfa nka ho ne adeɛ na ɔsɛ obi sɛ ɔmo sɛ wɔn mfa mo abato nka ho a adeɛ nti na wɔn ba mo nkyɛn ɛbɛtɔ ɛyɛ mo aba no nti wɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu ama wɔn ɛte wɔn ho ase ɛma ɔno koraa no kyerɛ sɛ anhwɛ a na yɛde ɛyɛ card sɛ Ghana deɛ yɛ wɔn bɔ so sɛ anhwɛ a ɛyɛ Ghana card yɛde bɛto aba yi ɛno nti ɔno koraa nso di mirika ɛma ɔno akɔ register sɛ ba sɛ yɛsi yɛmfa card no koraa no ɛnto aba no a kama ɔno bɛtumi ɛde ne deɛ nso ayɛ de bɛn ɛde ato ɛyɛ abana ade nyina timi akɔnkan de ma na yewura bisa ne sɛ ne bɛyɛ den na online yi ebetimi apuniti aba no so card no be di adanse card no be kan ho no bɛboa ama nyina atumi ho sɛ wo card no kra na otumi to a the evidence no bɛba na ade nyina atumi akɔnkan de ama na yewura ɛne akyire mu sɛ na mo hɔ no no ɔsomo so na si ampa yɛ ba bi akramofoɔ wɔ na ba bi sɛ ɛyɛ Kaduna no ɛno deɛ Kristofoɔ nko na hɔ enti yɛka praise the Lord yi na yɛka hallelujah enti Kaduna state ni deɛ ɛbɛkɔ de ama yɛwuro bi ɛsan so ɔno akɔyɛ Kristoni ɛna omisa na yɛntimi anya ɛyɛ party fo bi nkɔgyina na ɔsɛ dabi ɔmo anya obia ɔ Muslim ni bia ntumi nyina enti Kaduna state no yɛkeka ne ma nyina bɔ mu hɔ no mu na de nyina timi tɔfam sɛ kra ade a ɛna na ɛyɛ yɛwura obi ɛna ebidi ɛyɛ enkan ɛna yɛwura ɛba na basida na sɛ yɛda na se sɛ wakyerɛkyerɛ ne mu paa ɛde ama yɛn na ɛde ani bɛdi akyire ahwɛ bi wɔkyena kɔpem no dwadan deɛ yɛbɛsɛn aba wɔnom nkyɛn na ɔmo nyina atumi abɔ yɛn nsɛm no sɛnea ɛkɔɔyɛ na sɛnea ɛtumi ɛbaayɛ na ɔse ampa atikunu mu ne adeɛ ne ɔmo abene na mu ne odi puusu ne nkan ne deɛ ɛyɛ yɛ nua bɛrima ɛyɛ Peter ɛyɛ Obi ɛhɔ na ɛde nkɔmɔtwe no esisi yɛwura da na ase ɔmde mpapamudie no ɛde ɛbaayɛ
kwame anapa yɛbɛda ase ɛne wo nkyerɛmu a wabɔ yɛn yɛsɔre so abɔ nondo apa minute aduasa abɔ pɛ mu pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛsɔre so anesa na yɛyɛ na obi a ɔno yɛ adwuma filling station ɛnso so ɛde saa ayi noti ba yɛmɔ ne tie breaker petrol ɛsɛsɛm no masa kakum ne na yɛntie no.
Good morning. Also, I saw that book and I'm probably not Mr. Professor me educative in conform with Kaka. Oko filling station so to fuel. It's advisable say obetimi aton in cash or in liters. Ninja na eba pepper the same quantity, the same amount to benya. Only if say one oko to fuel no. Obeye vigilant. Share board no say best start from 00. Nipa no air preset here. Over who can show share amount now or be it in cash or in liters. Afterwards, no start full and no be bua. Make sure say overshare board to say best start 00. Say start 00 there. Let the attendant leave the nozzle. Nozzle now obuno programming na so the check can movie. Let's start 00. Na so press ya manager nozzle him. Na for the machine no and no one operate. I understand now. So out in cash, so out in liters. So we need the right amount now. Wash and pepper. That's it.
I'm so saying that you can.
Yeah. And you right, me was starting a one ground to me, son. And so I'm good to you, and send a yama quenano. Omra, I'm a church, a month for the moon. Obi on seven manusi, we should make a sacra. Young papa no driver for near the seven bibri no, cook on the moon yard in bibri. What they are saying to you, no, the mouse canoa. One a unimu litano. On the discount the amount. Say me to 200 cedis. 200 cedis, how many liters? What I say? 200 cedis on the amount. How many liters? And I watch I say, onshore board, so onshore, and think what station when I say, Papa, show me boo, me start it. Attendance no, one grana will be in the car, you want more say, and just show me start you me boo, say now be you, aha, and the senior all can say, say, we no, Obiani, ni aka ne se ni obu ni auto ye nyina ye moa ye ho ni obu ni auto ye nyina no ye moa ye ho na se bi minimmu na ma be gina ho na ma sika no wona wonimmu me ma 200 cedis how many liters be bu ama me mama 200 se be bu 10 se be bu 20 se be bu 30 me de minim wona ho ton enti wona ba chere se 200 cedis e be bu liter no 9 enum ensia anwotwe enti me ka 1 2 3 na du nwoche a aja na wo de shemu a se ka obeti ko but now we won't cut on Soja. Omokoto fuel no. Obi on si fam kra no akohwe. On si fam. Enti wo na obu ade na ogina ho. Owia wa wi o se mawie. Na be ko station na bi so epia lord no se mi pia na tank no kwan bebam. Ene na mun kan chom se yenye ne sae. Be ko station wona ye pia filling station ye wo so kai wa ye so ye ne sa na oil ni tumi hyehyɛ. Ensu hyehyɛ no ada ensu ada ne broke. Well, they should educate them. Send your kinds of injection we want more. On farm review. Yadana Siakra.
Kwana na pe beda asia sorry so an assembly the Kofi Ansomba for Bella upon any Christian J boy Listo wa Kwame Rinda Akosaf Mafo and Kevin Kwame Ponsa Eddie Sana DJ does DJ Zigibi and the Pamina Edas. Sorry, so Nanya Kopomboa Joda, the best shelfia. Me did confiance on bar for KB. Good morning.
Okuma Radio 97.1.